course ntugumiza mu n'emizaano eya group stages omuzaano ogwakasha twa district eya Rwampara omuzaano ogwakasha twa district ejimpa eya Mbarara City jikangu turi live alikache main stadium kata of Ankole Cup 5th years edition teba kumanya ngo omurundo gwa katano of course nugongera kuhindaho ombutongore ani wacha chitu ekyakacheka main stadium of course team ya Rwampara jikangu bazane matches ezikwingana ibiri tubakasingirwe muzaano gona jikangu bakiguraho na district eya Isingiro twareba district ya Rwampara kusinga district ya Isingiro goals ibirahari yemwe bagumiza mu basinga district eya Mbarara eninga shikashari bamusinga goals ezikwingana ibiri omurubusha ekikwanjuma isangu district eya Rwampara tubakasingirwe muzaano gona omukikope ekimpaha echa Ankole Cup then district rather city eya Mbarara ninga Mbarara City chikagubazana n'emizaano kwingana ibiri ogwo kubanza bakagwa 0-0 ninga Shimbakazi na district ejimpaha eya Mbarara ninga shikashari jikangutine difference between Mbarara City and Mbarara district ekikuba nchimanyisa nkashari niyo Mbarara district so first match tukareba Mbarara City bakugwa Makazi 0-0 then second match atwareba still Mbarara City bakudrawing aho akore emwe hadi emwe na district ya Isingiro kwe omuri akabarebere but so far twine district ya Rwampara twineho in fact achai chakacheka main stadium Rwampara bazana ho na team ejimpaha ya Mbarara City of course twine kubantu ganira byinshi amuzano ogumpaha tubase kubantu reba team ya Rwampara no bagumiza mu na form yabo 100% winning record then tuza kubantu reba ba coaches bataro bamwe na bamwe babase kubana batugambire inkambi zabo zitabekanise zita and even okubura kwa goals o Ankole Cup nichi ecyongire okubuza goals omukikopo ekimpaha echa Ankole Cup twineo coach bwa district ejimpaha ya Rwampara of course abase kubana tukayi tuganireho na no murebi owa tayari DStv abase kubana tugambira bo bachikozire bata Mr Coach tukareba ho team ya Rwampara first match bagusinga goals ibiri ahari yemwe then second match mukusinga ho team eya Mbarara district na goals ibiri omurubusha muchikozire muta imenka Rwampara district kutebera goals nyamwenji omukikopeche cha Ankole Cup kan district zindi zo kurwa ama goals
nyezaga mbu mu Ruganda ekisoka nti twebaza Katonda nti tuli wano kujja kusamba game ya leero naye okusinzira kibuzo kyombuziza fenga fe team yaffe twagenda mu camp budde nga bukyali ne twetereza ne traininga ne tumanya weaknesses zaffe ne tumanya we tulina otereza so twagenda okujja mu league ye tournament eno nga tukimanyi nti buli kimu tukikozeeko kyokola nti ola teba tutebamu so we have been working hard hand in hand akulaba nti team performing bulungi this season eri season yewedde tekyali bulungi tukyavayo bulungi ne season eno twasoka kwetereza budde nga bukyali so kyokola nti abasinga balaba nti Rwampara ekola bulungi sirwa mukisa ne lwakuba nti wadde tukola
okay tukarebaho ba settinga amateeka ga Ankole Cup gakwikiza district kutunga abachuba bashatu outside Ankole district ya Rwampara mukaza team ya Kigezi Homeboys muyihaho abasana barupingana batano tugirengu okureta abazana batano abo mpaho then bakuzana hamwe omuligi ya FUFA Big League even angwana na team tugirengu nico kibongira man kusinga ariyezo districts ezokushanga za kwata KCC za kwata Vipers za kwata team za Wakiso Giants zukuyama abazana batakumanya na kuzana
ekikulu nti coordination twafuna abasambi abacoordinating in boss numbers zetulaba nti eziri effective zetusinga okola ki kwagala so tugenda obaleeta nga tumanyi obagenda otuyambira segera kyatuyamba nnyo okulaba nti twafuna abasambi olwedde baaleetera tiimu okuqualifying agenda mu Super League ate naffe ne tugamba tujja bajjayo tubakozese mu liigi yaffe lwa nsonga they are good season yodde twabakozesa so they have been performing better on our team era tuli basiimu kubera nga tukola nabo even this season.
Okay, bomuzano ogumpa twinemu injuries omucup kandi nichi ekyabira Dominic Bonga karebekawo muzano go kubanza but muzano ogumpaha twamureba even na starting 11 nichi ekiri omucup in terms of injuries
tetwina injuries ku nsonga ya ebongo yafunamu injury bamukuba eni bamukuba so nalwala teswasobola mukozesa naye awasigadde abasambi bali bulungi and baredde kusamba mupiira fe tuzze kunona buwanguzi.
Okay, district ya Rwampara tukomanyaho izina rhango eri abazarirwa muka tugirengu echo nico kitumire abazana ba performing aje mu kikope cya Ankole Cup kusinga out districts rather cities in Mbarara ezokushanga twine abazana 10+ abakutera mu elite leagues
icyo kituufu dansonga nti we have average players tetulina mugwe tugamba nti ono yasinga kuono nakola bwati so tugwe tuba tuze mu kisaawe we work as a team tetunulira manya osegera tukolanga team plan tukola ki tuwangula game yaffe kyokola nti either striker or a defender does the role when we don't have the ball. To making sure that we don't concede as a team. We don't consider the names first. We consider working as a team and winning as a team.
Okay, to expecting echi omuzano ogumpa finally ekigambo kyamu to expecting echi.
Fe tujja kunona buwanguzi era bwe tunonye. Amazina nsigadde coach Faruku Rwampara district.
Okay, ogweno coach Afaluk aba district eje ya Rwampara jikangu takasinjira omusano gona omukikopo ekimpaha echa Ankole Cup kandi arumunaza kuvuganaho ade site eyambarara tino coach nawe owa Mbarara City etar Mbarara City FC eyo mwamuru kumaka honorable mwine mpaka but Mbarara City team eru kuparticipatinga omumpaka ezimpaha eza Ankole Cup. Mr Coach, ntwenda obase kubana utugambire niki ekikire omunkambe eyambarara City goals okubura na no kushanga ngo oyine abazana bakushika 15 omu team kandi barazaniro omu Eritriki.
Abagizi ba Mbarara City ba organizers ba tournament egi twabakira obuzibu bubire buho tugerizeho kubukoraho and I expect erizoba za kufuna results eziri positive.
Okay, niki ekitahire omukampu ya Mbarara City tukareba first match na Mbarara district mukugwa 0-0 second match mwazanaho na Isinjiro mwagwa makazi still gore emwe ahari emwe tusubire okuruga omu group stages aba Mbarara City.
Yes, obuzibu tugerizeho kubukoraho na team zitu yontu zana nazo tizangwi because almost Mbarara district was double, Isinjiro was double, but for today tugerizeho kukora munonga hanshe byezo abo butateba and I expect erizoba nzakureba goals omu game age.
Okay, atubetwineho abazana bamani bizina omuri Mbarara City the likes of team Dennis bari babatakwizaho omutima mutakubeta tugire nko hakabaho the likes of team Dennis and Kaka Dennis Omeni hakabaho ki abambara.
Ompira niko gutura mpora ntugezaho ogamba na Kaka ntugezaho ogamba na team already submitted to this team konka hari obuzibu buke konka turiyo ntubusolovinga.
Finally ekigambo kya mere to expecting ekyo muzano.
We expect the good display. Coach Swaibu Kawesi Masudi mutuze wa Mbarara City kandi wo mpira.
Okay, ogwene coach Kawesa bwa City eji eyambarara kandi team era base kubanirwa yo nesana omukikopo echa Ankole Cup. Ojuka nguna wetu bakamusinjira muzano gona but nturebaho finally aturumuntu zakuzaho omucheka chito echo kubanza team eyambarara City bakuzanaho na district ejimpaha eya Rwampara nibinje ebitwine kuteka mu byogo muzano ebinje bitwine kurebaho omuzano ogumpaha district eya Rwampara of course bakuzanaho na Mbarara City omukikopo chimpaha echa Ankole Cup toba kumanyangu abazanya mwinji abaza kubana bariga yino baretaho starting lineups waza kurebaho district ya Rwampara basanika Agre kuruga team ya Kigenzi Homeboys waza kurebaho musanika Baraka Abraham kuruga team ya Karunji au no mu district jimpaha ya Rwampara bamwe ombazana bareta waza kureba Kemisi Rofomiyo kuruga team ya Kigenzi Homeboys Gaku Alan Gerard nawe kuruga team ya Kigenzi Homeboys no bamombazana baruga yo bakatandikira district ejimpaha ya Rwampara waza kurebaho kacheka cha screen yawe awa timu ya Mbarara City ntureba Daviko Clinton Kamugisa captain wa timu ya Mbarara City waza kureba abasigazi ba Gaddafi Kachanchu former police FC player Gaddafi Kachanchu jase number 20 ajuzire kuri mnonga ba timu ya Mbarara City even azana na timu ya Mbarara City mu Uganda StarTimes a Premier League waza kurebaho omukuru kumaka Kalim Ramadhan jase number 17 awejimpa City ya Mbarara yikamwe nawe atandikira mu defense waza kureba mukume aba timu impaha ya Karunji na sana team ya Mbarara City adeni waza kureba Mabuya Simon former UPDF player nawe yabasakwa na atandikira omugor aba team impaha ya Mbarara City nibinje batoreka even honorable omukuru kumanyaka bakashaba arumudara omusyaho abazani aba team impaha ya Mbarara City kandi baza kubana batandikaho omusano gumpaha omutongore omukire kache mnongo tureba Sadati Nsubuga aba team impaha ya Mbarara City nawe ayitimbire omujozi jase number 11 batoreka Saddam Nasa jase number 7 nawe yatandika aba timu ya Mbarara City utiro nango na Mahad omusano wa timu ya Bunyarikuru United nawe yabasa kuba natandika aba timu Jimpaha ya Mbarara City ni benshi munonga koko kurebera screen yawe of course amukire kache munonga tuza kuba turuganye tutandika omusano hagati ya timu ya Mbarara City bakuzana na timu eri kumanyake ya Rwampara kache kurabira starting lineups Mbarara City bareta Mabuya Simon then bareta Brian Mugume bareta Mahad Rashid bareta Emma Twebaze central defense arukupataninga na Kalim Ramadhan then Saddam Nasa omnamba mukaga bine Sadati Nsubwa omnamba mushanju then mnamba munana bine Gaddafi Kachanchu namba mwena Clinton Daviko Kamjisha Goals mwenda mupakesa Uganda StarTimes za Premier League abasa kwa nargana tandika Kanyiko Kanyike Muhammad abatimu paha ya Mbarara City FC nawe yabasa kwa nargana tandika otireho omukuru kumanka akatushuna Bruce nawe yatandikira omunamba 11 of course ni bench bitune kubasa kuruga intureba reka turebe abebe mbizino batwambira ki
Rwampara w'abantu binji nstera urukwenda notarukwenda mbwenu ntwesega ngogomeza izoba ngoza kunyuma abo kuba ntukunda touch nungi honorable mtahi wanje I want to appreciate you for hosting us. Let's enjoy the game. Kandi indeed nomureba ngutari satisfactory kurugayo nco kugerera ngo ejeji edition ya kashatu yes mujongere mamani yenda kwebaza ba sponsors bona kuko kana edition zikuje tuongere mamani speaking talents zitu tuongere kutungura omutindo gwe talanta yo mpira anemizane ndijo omuri Ankole mwebare mnono yebare mnonga honorable ni mumwena abaryaha media mwebare Rwampara Mbarara City eyitu honorable Kankunda yagera ngo abantu bona twire nabatera nabamara konka hati zoberi ni nyenda kubagambira ngo hato mwareba nashikaha ikintu cyo cyaho imwe mukimanye ngo nadumira ubu nabadumira no kwe inabaninduga hati ninye kisarani cya Rwampara izoberi neza koma kusinga nimba ekinku bashaba abazani bitu muzaneje gigompiro guturukuzana ni friendly cup kar mu kintu cyona nijo ine narebire bitaratushemezeje konka ni manyangu Rwampara na Mbarara nico kimwe ejiniyo tawuni yanyu twena ntuzana kimwe se friendly match. Thank you very much. Let us watch. Thank you.
Of course, district Rwampara district rather Mbarara City of course turumuntu zakuruga tandikaho eceka citu eco kubanza kantare baba honorables omamuru kumanyanka musika kunda hamwe nangwa na domkuru kumanka honorable kwish bakashaba of course basakwana baragani batwerezaho ibigambo hagati ya teams zimpaha ya Rwampara hamwe nangwa na City ejimpaha eyambarara yikangu Rwampara district baragani barete mukuru kumanka Abdul Shakur Juko yeberi omkuru jase number 1 na sana team ya Rwampara Bulls then Derek rather atuembire Kaspat jase number 15 of course atandikira munambi biri Magaga Powe jase number 3 then atonjire Alfred omuzana team ya Chiges Homeboys jase number 12 then Ogwang Chowel jase number 4 omuzana even team ya Chiges Homeboys then Atwid Abraham basakwana mweta Baraka jase number 13 na sana team ya Kayoka Range then Kemis Rosomio zuire jase number 8 nomuzana team ya Chiges Homeboys then Edwin Opala Mukisa jase number 14 nomuzana team ya Chiges Homeboys then Nuwacha Patrick jase number 5 nomusani ari Bugema University then namanya Owen nomusana team ya Rwampara Bulls azire jase number 11 na Egaku Alan Gerard akazana team ya Poma FC yasana even a team ya Soka Club fira kabasa kwa na riga ina sanira impora okumpao even angwana team ya Msoga akabasa kwa na riga ina sanira yo obomusija obasa kwa no mwita Kemit aro for me even ababasa kwa no riga bayamba team ya Chiges Homeboys kujiteka ho omubakesa Uganda StarTimes za Premier League nibature kaba captain Swabidi amakuru kuma Kadaviko Clinton kamjishano musana wa Mbarara City hamwe nangwana Parak abasa kwa no mwita ho Atire Abraham Barak musana team ya Karuka Runji even angwa captain wa timu ya Karoka Runje na captain wa timu Jimpaha ya Rwampara kurubuno batungaho some instructions akuruga ombarwe phrase of course bide bitambunya mwinji mbaza kutosinga coins utandikira timu gine itandikira ade tubase kwa tureba first half akwera base kwa ndirwa nitambura making a show kuja ngo wafurunga tayari DStv social media platforms basa kwa notfurunga mkutubit oga X ninga Twitter basa kwa notfurunga Instagram tfurunga Facebook tfurunga even a YouTube basa kwa no subscribing basa kwa no liking sharing those videos basa kwa no yetungira benshi rwagati ya teams Zimpaha Cutters of Ankole Cup 50th edition nubenshi abitora base kwa turga turebaho umpira ogumpaha sambwino tuzakuba tuzitunga mpora aho omisho making a show kuja ngo atera prediction yawe amkutubit ogwa X ningashe atwita tera prediction yawe no subira Mbarara City nubatungo buhanguza cyaka cheka main stadium muninga nembikaya no team ya Rwampara Bulls nibagomeza muna 100% winning record ningashe nehenderere isoba nubatoreka mabuya Simon aho goalkeeper wa team Jimpaha ya Mbarara City of course atiremu akahead soka ninka Petra check jikangwa akazana team ya UPDF agom kuroko makamabuya Simon yasana team ya bunyarukuroko paho atayiro mucyanga cite Jimpaha Mbarara City abijiro mucenga kuri mnonga mabuya Simon of course wamubugana omuhanda you cannot even thinking uno musano wo mupira bato mupira na gucenga kuri mnonga mabuya Simon batureka jersey number 13 awa team Jimpaha ya Mbarara City mwete Emma twebaze bench mnonga then batureka kalimula madhan jersey number 17 kanyike Simon orada kanyike Muhammad jersey number 26 ogweno mumbazana ba team ya Mbarara City atwerize goals kwikita neza ligi Uganda StarTimes Premier League Daviko Clinton kamsha kozi 10 in all competitions na assists zukingana ina kuria omumpakeza Uganda StarTimes Premier League otirona ngwana nechikopo echa Stanbic Uganda Cup Daviko Clinton kamsha former Karoka Runji football player former Nyamichobora football player Daviko Clinton kamsha baturikana Gadafika Chanchu then baturika Subuga Sadat Jazina Bidefen akazana team Jimpaha in fact nomsano wa team ya Mbarara City sio mutendeki zaidi bie kwa so Jazina Bidefen nubasa kubada barondera course aba team ya Mbarara City chikuba nchimaisa ngo Daviko Clinton kamsha kanyike Muhammad na Nsubuga Sadat then abati ya Rwampara batorekana manya Owen ega ara na WhatsApp rather na WhatsApp Patrick of course no baby be striking line bizaba tandi chirompira hera ba team ya Rwampara of course cheka cyo kwanza first half tutabatsa kwa tushigura tushio acha chaka chepka main stadium hadi ashika kuri jump ya naisana ndaga dafika chanchu tera pasu mnoga kuranga kanyike Muhammad pia ndibisana bakata burugizana kusahe bachangu ni kona kick bachangu ni goal kick aba district Jimpaha ya Rwampara goal kick aba district Jimpaha ya Rwampara back of the sports master tayari DStv bisaida kikachenda acha chaka cheka main stadium ndabaturikaho ya mkana bibi chance number 4 aba district ya Rwampara mweto okwamchowen aba sinujao o midfield kwata mupora bakarikana banyiga mukache aba timu ya Mbarara City Saddam Nasil bisana bakwata mu bakarikana bachenda now temis bakarikana bakwata mupora Rwampara Radha Mbarara City kanyike Muhammad sana mupora ndibisana bamutanga mupira ezena wa 15 kwata mupora Rwampara Mahat obusani team Jimpaha ya Nyaruguru United Tanzania crossing experience chiza health bachabu dogo kushika aba district Jimpaha ya Rwampara baturika jersey number 15 aba Rwampara sakwa no mweta Hasbat na isanda aronda ho Saddam Nasa upia na rugana teka mutwe bakarikana bakwata mupora jersey number 11 mweta ho Owen crossing mupia jersey number 5 crossing mupira Jeto mukro maka Patrick crossing mupira pora Owen bakarikana bakwata mupira dogo kushika timu ya Rwampara itangu Rwampara they are still unbeaten Mutkope Jimpaha echa Ankole Cup edition ile Burundo kwa katano baturika jersey number 15 basa kwa no mwesa ho Hasbat atembire naza kushika mupira kama iko Kayote atembire Hasbat kushika pia narunda ega Aaron batika umutwe baturika bakwata Kalimura Batan now barunda kanyike Muhammad passing pura now Clinton Daviko kamsham bakarikana bakwata jersey number 14 passing mupira pura baraka na gubona takubona bakarikana bakwata now kemisiro for Mio take up passing pura jersey number 15 passing mupira mabuya isana kwata kujimnonga mweto hu mabuya Simons Toreke Edric Opana Romusani aba team Jimpaha ya Kigenzi Homeboys Odhine Opana Mugisha Likango aba team ya Rwampara bakaza team ya Kigenzi Homeboys bya abasana barpingana batanu Dominic Bonga yatungiremu injare bagarika barika Edwin Opara Mukisa yasomucha Dominic Bonka Lubobo abachuba barikingana batano outside Ankole baturika mugume crossing omupira n'omuzana wa timu ya Karukaru take up pass pura gara Pikachu Asharu mitano ya line crossing omupira na Londa chase number 10 with technical David Kamshana crossing omupira na garika wa take up pass pura gara Pikachu pia n'bisana bagarika bagwiwa wa timu ya Rwampara tera pasano yo midfield bisana banundaho chase number 8 now crossing omupira chase number 11 Owen crossing omupira mpora Owen crossing omupira bisana bagarika bakwata mpora Rwampara n'bisana bachuza umupira now Baraka chasing omupira chase number 8 but Akemi Rwosomiyo bakwata mukache chase number 14 bagarika bagwiwa wa DStv rather basite ya Rwampara mwete usubuga Sadat bisana bamusana wikubi Sadat usubuga Mzani Mukubi aba district rather Blasite ya Rwampara rather Blasite ya Mbarara City Sadat Nsubuga Nugumena isana tanika free kick pura na rather Kanike Muhammad patampura mkuru kumaka Owen sana hu adon mkuru kumanyaka Of the Bisabra got a quarter of Pia doesn't have a 10. Katima, what it says. Mweto Mukuru Kumanyaka can be single for me. Just in number 8, rather, I got Alan. He got Alan Gerard, of course. She showed Piragua district Empire, Rwampara, a got Alan Gerard. A former Poma FC player. The former Toka Club a got Alan Gerard. Of course, you have a Chakwana are going to wasting a chance about this secret Empire Rwampara. Shakanta Bakata Mbarara City, Mana Mugume, the thing about 17 and 10 of William Simon. You tell me this about trying to get a good shot. And I try no good shot. But I'm no good shot of this secret Empire Rwampara, but you can't say number 3. Wait on close to Makaga Pore. I'm not touch from the Pira Mukaga Pore. Now, this secret Empire Rwampara. Atancar tu da tena bafotia of course no musigame kisa Opala Mugisa Edwin Opala Mugisa timu ya Children's Boys kama ndio kwa time bila kazomo papa Isa Uganda satanja timu ile ipatiri kama bila Simon ndakandika ho atleti abade abasite ya Mbarara ingashapo Mbarara site tosidemo pira pura na ukenti Muhammad pia na bora tabora tanzania ndio shaba district ya Rwampara tena wa 15 neto mtoro kama kaka touch Baitaho Bats, that's in number 15. Now that this is the fire on Panama Owen, and take out the prepare the design of the Messiah. We took the meat out of the million in number 8. Pambaga Gosh from Mahat. Mahat for the Panatini of the United. The Pasanotia Karuka will get in number 3 Mahats. Meteho Mahats, that's in number 3. The pattern got up to not taking a bag of San Owen, National Owen. Kupia baga kan baga no good shot. Kan no good shot. Our district Gunta rather our city Mbarara City Mahat. Chachi kan Simon yetere tena garaka chanchu. Bisa baga kan ba muskan ba jangu hara friki. Jangu hara friki ka Mbarara City. Baturika ba three white men, Baturika Saddam Nasa, Baturika Mahat. Meto Mahat Rashid. Former Karuka into football prayer. Parent to the Arch United. Mtapeza fufa big trick Mahat. The first number aho aka left just number 3. Wakeleka na number 3 kufanya tao. Ndam nasa. Koma Mbarara FC Pure. The goals mpira ya grupe la Gochira Mahat. Gochira Mahat ya imireku mnogo fiti kimatulika kinchi. Rafiko ba Power. Baturika ba Owen. Hona akinchi. Mahat approaching mpira pora. Okay, change. Tunchukwana kwa chaki njeni kumata abudisha kinjito. Kwanza vile sana mnogo pia baturi ka usuka sadati. Ndiza umte babuteka usuga. Pacha mnogo kisha. Kaya mnogo kisha bya Rwampara. First in the bench, and got a bit of Ankole Cup, but talk a bit of video, minus in Tungamo. Minus in Tungamo had Zibaku pushing out with 3. And talk a bit of video of Ankole Cup. That's the coming game, Patamura Pura. Ishangu Shifu Kinea district in Pa Rwampara. Nicolas Manaka, acting or para Mufisa Bomusana Mukubi, rather the same of price. Meto, what for Patrick? Bomusani are going to invest. What you have Patrick Yomizani Ahupao Alibima University. Baturika who striking line, a chair team at Rwampara. To know the Makanuamanya Owen, or Misana team at Rwampara Blues, Baturika Ega and Shera. Dana team as Western Boys. Person who's representing the tricky temperatura. Now, Etaku. Kalimura Matana is an asset in the Bakan Bapata Mutasina of fight. I'm trying to make a Patrick. Sharamutanu Aran, Pressing on Mupira. Bakan Bapata now. The cinema of 14 Bapata Bukada Kachanchi, but John Bamsan on the Puri. Wanyanka. Emma Trevase. But the district, rather, our city, Japan, Mbarara City. Emma Trevase. Baturika Ho Mukume. The Pia Babritina Mabuya Simon. From my UPDF trail, Mabuya Simon. Pia I said that the people was to a PSG, the first Arasan comes up the note. First, very big story as the Sahir Bagatan Pura Pura. The Sarbaranda hoping you with a meal, take a part of Pura Pura, the Kisa, Bakata Mahat, the Kankabasan Muhammad Kanuke, Terapati Pura Pura, Bakatan Bakata Mahat, Smoking the Logan Pira Mahat, Nathan Lagada Kachanchu, take out the Puru that Kanuke Mahat, Bakatan Bakata Makisa Owen. Pura now, Kachanchu Gaddafi, now Pura, Gaddafi Kachanchu, Nasarania Para, Kachanchu Gaddafi, Nagakana Tano Namukumaka, Muhammad, Chitaka Jamino shot. The shot of the secret to buy Rwampara. Because Rwampara, they still have 100% winning record. Repatriating Paris at Africa Cup, 2 games and 2 wins. Of course, 4 goals scored, 1 goal conceded. Now, Gaddafi Kachanchu, now Kamishan Hammer, Ganzano Gaddafi Kachanchu, pressing on Pira Pura Mahat, pressing on Pira Jazena to 12, and Jazena to take up Monga Tongiri Agre. Tongiri Agre, you talk with our Sanatini at space footballs. You Pakistan Uganda sometimes the team reach, you can do recently they full fight for FIFA big kick, between Pakistan Uganda sometimes the team reach. Brazil, they take Makacha big picture. But we can make our to our Mbarara City, but we can Sadat Nasa. This one of the units of the people that we can take a home tray. We can get crossing of Pura. Musabapata Owen in the Fisa. Now Karim Ramatan finds Mahat. I can get a maybe for me. They're passing the Logan Benson Baronda who are saying on the 4. As a one with our Tongi outfit. They're passing the Logan Bagatana Bagatana Pasta. Pensano Pura. Okay, they're passing the Longa Barundum to the Ega Paran. They're passing the Longa Egapo. I'm the son of a Pachamu Fiki. Pick up Iron of the son of a Kubi. Pachamu Fiki, Chabati Sike and Rwampara. To Manyaka, Taken number 17, Karim Ramadan. Mbarara City and Tanamuku Ega Paran. We come to one of the farm, but Sanam is then attack them to Sima Ridge. Now Ega Paran playing for today's homeboys. The team Karim Ramadan captured up Mbarara City FC. Remember to Makahona in the back half. Sanamukubi, Ega Alan Gerard, former soccer club Vira, former FC player. He comes to Boma Safa, but the Burwatana Ho, our qualification match, we are getting out with FC Aho Ahari. Harikateka stage jump of Omeka Pumero. But the Burwatana qualification match in their FIFA big trick. The former team Roma Murkumasa Ega Alan Gerard. Nakasarona team ya to United and captain Alan Gerard. And they don't critic even a part of the Munich with the Abraham, with the Akira Abraham, Tazena number 13. Numitana team ya Karuka Rich Ibn Carsten. He recently survived the relegation. Maka Actress. Okay, Tazena number 2. Achonjiri Actress. Nikashika Nika Runjako Bao. Rata Edwin Opara Mufisa. Harmela Teresa to the Munga Semi Teko Edwin Opara Mufisa. Hagona Para, Wakaroka Harona, Alan Egaku, Mediaton free kick. But we can work through a free kick by district at Rwampara. Setting the Kota, and now crossing on the Pira Pora Paraka of the town. Meta Aparak, Ovaton Abraham. I can't have a district at Rwampara is the captain of Tibia Rwampara, Casano team. Haya Karuka Yunchi with the Taliban that's with now. Achada Tinia Karuka to wake up. Begin another package that put from that turn around for your trophies. Sana bagay kan batik sama mikir kali Ramadan. Mikir papa tu kaki kerja nama protein itu sama sisa. Agar gapu, ala gapu. The thing is, kali Ramadan is there again. Oh my God. Tipu number 10. It's a fun and 10 amazing. From the 12th range. They got Aaron Gerard. Of course, Mason this one. Of course, working for Mason damages our city around, but of course, you never know what can happen tonight. What can happen tonight? But you can the number 14, Edwin Opara. Because the way kilometer Apunga Downlich. You see what you experience home going to work it when again at the ancient Edwin Opara Mukisa. And then I'll take on the corner, Edwin Opara. Taking up with the drama, take a home train. Now, permission was for me, Mason's also. But jumping the goal kick. You said, but you know, you're a Batera Euro Cards. The first command Emma Trevas and Bamatera Euro Cards. Emma Trevas, Bamatera Euro Cards. The whole just number 13 Bamatera Euro Card, but this is the Mbarara City, rather a Rwampara City team. Bamatera Euro Cards, Emma Trevas, Emma, a home central defense. The fortune of Baba State, a next to Bamatera Euro Cards. Get the number 13. The third command car. The movement, I got that much from the assistant of what catches a number of the cards. And can take into the difficult comes to Nagat in the Pakaran Pier to be here. After the Kama had Nagat Pier to be but to the Kababuya Simon, the first of the head to come in the change. In integrity power to your Chelsea, Little Sanchez, Robert and Nine Stanchions. It's what you know, I hit the Pakatian and Wayne Sheep. And if you look at that, the period of my attacks, we are time. For my previous prayers. Can we teach a prayer to take out the take? For God, how can we take out the temperature? Can we get Muhammad? Shall we come in our life? Can we Muhammad? But I'm saying about how to a pass line to the Owen. Take out with me with me, but I'm putting to the Owen. To get it to the other book. When they go send the Muhammad, the team, Mbarara City. Now, can you come Muhammad? The rock star. Now, Barak, Terapati, the Monogali, the Barentaho, the American Bargain, the Pira Sadam Nasa, and she become Mugume, Mugume, exactly. And the first Asa Bamba, the feet of Tobacco, the kind of Bona, one of the best teams for Kaka. I think I think you Misano, one of the district campaign council. I think that this is since the climate born of the top. Two matches, two draws, cancel, the same as Mbarara City. But the previous draws, the team are cancelled. When we can now go, not Uganda. I don't know that I know the team. Within the two, anything that I want. I think that you keep already Mbarara City, Rabia Simons. Rabia Simons. Mbarara City capability. Mbarara pera. Take out the train. Into the people from shot. What I can Muhammad. Something that can be your own, but in Owen. One for the police out. And then speak to the other. But so far, so I hope the case that went on it. If you think the same on the 12th address from here, you can actually accept it. I'm going to take it to Apollo. Then I wrote out the thing of the 5 meter tickets. That's the name password. Can I finish with you? I can you take any more at hand. You can understand that we should go, but can go and then feel about the stuff that you see that. I can see that I'm recruiting. I don't see the kind of subject and see that they feel like 11. So far, 0 and 0, Mbarara City 0, Rwampara District 0. It's for the Africa this distribution. The first argument for me there is to the very traditional that's what it's from. Sorry to keep it over edge to the speaker. Now, Chasing go put to the keeper. We survey just after the blog about this city of Rwampara 20 action. And about the Konakich. Konakich and post in your family of Mbarara City. Because second corner kick of the game. Mbarara City, of course, Mahat. Hard question, we will open our winner cities. He has the box, and Mbarara, I mean, the best option. With Mahat. Mahat Rashid. Shows the result of Tura Omite ahead of the defense of Rwampara. Can Rwampara survive this? Let's wait and see. Now, Mahat. Itakuna kitu tunuti mronga crossing gomu twega dafika chance of course may sense again. Bakar basana mukuru kumanyaka. Mukume. Now, the bisana bakana batip bachangu. Dino Sikic. Hijangu na diving Mahat. Pepe na tatu na diving alimuka tichembe. Mahat ya na tatu basana mukubi. Pepe na tatu muka tijende. Chicago Mahat, one of the best players so far. Achasi ndio kitera kanaambisha tu Mbarara. Nikasema bakata mu Rwampara cheze number 14 mwete Opara Edwin. Tulikuwa mpira pora skills for aim. In Rwampara district. Tulikuwa pora na abject. Nikasema bakata mu pora. Now, Kemisoro Tomiyo. Katika bakata mu Emma. Tosinge chipira chilinga mnonga baterika golo kipapu ni Shakur Jiko. Is also there. Abdul Shakur Jiko. Na usana timu ya Rwampara Bulls FC on Western Uganda on Western Regional League. Na tandika na Agraton Jire. Na Londa Egapara and Gerard. Mahadis there. Na tatu goli kipo rinkahi. And force. Nimetuleka chupino. Mupira na wachangu. Kika badia Mbarara City. Mahad. Referee na data no extra. Referee na data no extra. Of course na egaku ara ne pale baji show. Gaps ara to send a take. Former Soka Club Vira, former Homa MC player, former Toro United player, former Osoga player. Afrika atuna kichi district jimpa ya Rwampara.
No advertising campaign.
District ya Rwampara, of course. Let's wait and see if they can combat this one. Naterikaba tezbari jibemi to egap Aaron Gerard. Naterikaba zamkemi through Tomia crossing go mupira pora. Bakarikaba bateko mutugada fika chanchu. Now. Tazi number free crossing go mupira pora pira dukisa sahi. Mweto mturu kumaka muganga pore. Of course, ya crossing kapira kapia batukama William Simon. To Westwood. Those at time wasting jinga time kona Emma. Pura line Emma. Mkirut banyaka Shiraz Emma. Crossing go pira pura. Bakarikaba bakata Barak. Crossing go mupira here. Batangu after aims. Mbarara City. The first Barak, no way, the team ya Karoka Zinga relegation. The first single team, Jimpa, United, Kori Mumurusha. Of course, as kind of a team, ya Rwampara Zinga relegation. Waho Omori Apufa, but in Kavita Jangri district, Rata, team ya Karoka, Jema Mosmaka, consider team president, but in the case of Gasabat, Patampura. Sharabat Samuel Singa Sadat, but the Kanbabu Pira pressing on Pira Pura Baduda Egap Simon Garikayo Power Simon. Target now for attacking the Moga Chick, but the Vayana should have answered you. Novia Simon. The band was also there. Remember our feet, take our wood. And through Manyanka. Pass but at the Denver, the Zinaba. Both at Shanghai, actually to make that source for platform DT. Running channel V, channel Bishop to Kagan Tagata, DStv, Rona channel Banana or channel Vira Shat Antina, put together 077. Bishop at Tagata is AZAM. Pashkum Pura, but the Garkana take on with the power. Sabagarkana Bakatambara Kuma. Mother Owen, Metal Owen, Namanya, Mahats. Mondagada Sikatancho. Bagarikana Bakata Pore. Now Mukisa. Brother Owen Radha. Bagarikana Bakata Kanyike. Now Daviko Kamukisha. Daviko! Oh! Is the one that Ramukoli? Bagarikana Bakata with the 20 player also. Abdishaku Juko. Now Kota to the Mnoga Brad Rwampara D6. Abdishaku Juko. Nabusana team ya Rwampara Bulls FC. Gaya kwata kuri mnogo bikambi Rwampara Bulls FC ne bagore kipe ine abazani kaba Davis. Batukare babakoze sa mukuru kumaka Abdishaku Juko. Bakumweta a district empire ya Rwampara. Akosi no musana team ya Rwampara Bulls FC. Mu Western Region League. So far akosidikire ko mu chikope cha Ankole Cup. Batolekaho omukuru kumaka Egak Alan Chelat. Because atikinjiro viri. Atikinjira kashoche Egak Alan Chelat jaze number 10. Ajat shot kuzimazi mayayanga Egak Alan Chelat. Batijangu akashot kayanga of course ya shora. Kalikana kwa tatu mronga Abdishaku Juko. Kwa district empire ya Rwampara. Katika pora na jeze number 12 atinjiri ake. Kopia pora na gadaka chacho kwata mkache na Harofekic. Majang Harofekic aba district empire ya Rwampara. Akasigas ka Mukisa rather akasigas ka namanya Owen. Of course as so far so good. Some good dribbles about Rwampara. Of course Baturika coach Farouk. Mnajeza ukeza instructions. Kwa touchline Baturika just number 12 mnaza kitileta mufeke katongire agre. Kusingo mpira pura yanda Egak Alan Gerard. Bagarikana bateka umuto mutono simanyanka. Zuku bacang yang offside. Bacang halmu offside karena menang offside. Baturika mumuya Simon. Start kali kau free kick au pura Mbarara season so far 0-0. Actually had a race with he of course. Protecting from the heart of Mbarara and beyond. Kanja West ATV. Kikusa Binji. Looking at you up the God for the Captain Teresa. So much of one of the Binji. Mnoga before the question of Coco Echipao. Now can you say Muhammad? Fatam Pura. Can you say Muhammad? Now. Kinto Daviko, Bagarikana Bakwato, Egak Alan Cheran, Bakwato Saddam Nasa, Bakwata Pura. Now Mbarara City, Bagarikana Bakwata Rwampara, Balona Egak Alan Cheran. Now Mahad is there. Take out with Pura. Bagarikana Bakwato, Kalim Ramadan. Mpira chilingwa mnoga Hidruma Haji. Bagarikana Mutanga mpira jazina number 5. Weto Patrick. Bagarikana Bamjeka Kanzoka Piran Bagarikana Bakira Badi Sita Rwampara now chair. Now Agra Tonjira Baraka. Mamuya mpira Pura. Bagarikana Visan Bagzane. Hadabarudo mpira Badi Sita Rwampara crossing the goalkeeper Juko. Bagarikana Istana with train and throw in Mbarara City. Of course as so far 50. So far 50. Mbarara City 0, Rwampara District 0. Nakwata Mpura Mukaka now Saddam Nasa. Patampura Kamita Muhammad. Now Achandiri Atre. Changuli Kona kiki ningashe and throw in. Patam throw in the Rwampara D6. Hainana Jati throw in the Rwampara D6. Because of what that time, Afrika coach with Wachana coach Mbarara City. Baturika even AZAM Banka Bukiranka Basradi Msindo, one of the coaches about Rwampara. Bajizo clears up instructions. Home Mbarara City AC player Sradi Msindo. Now, Egak Alan Cheran, Bamutanga Piramaha, Bagatana Bakatan. Now, Egak Alan Cheran. He's about to pressing up in the Nogo Pia. Mukiro Kumanyanka. Now, Manya Owen, Kasigas got an offside so far operating from both wings, operating from left wing and right wing. Post back Schumann, right of the midfield for me. Then you get a and the tower 7 against Clever of Kasigas Faust. Now, Manya Owen, you get a call and the ring are treasure or not to make him. The first are so far so good about the city Rwampara so far, but the composure is good. Now Agre Atonjiri. crossing mpira Gadafika Chanchu naiza naza kusubira striker now Daviko rather Sadat Insubuga tira pasi nje mnonga Sadat Insubuga nazano na Mahad crossing mpira pora Gadafika Chanchu kwata mpora now Sadat Insubuga back to Gadafika Chanchu tira kanchanuya bagarikana bakwata Mahad of course crossing mpira pora Pachangu umupira ni goal kick ya district ejimpa ya Rwampara. Of course, anibinji ahari YouTube mbatujirangu nabasa Clever na Jat am Clever from Kazo. Mbarara City 2-1 Rwampara. Bajangu watching live from Ishongoro in Ibanda. A win in favor Mbarara City 3-1. Najat am watching live on Kazo. Here at Bamwezi. Najat Rwampara will win 2-0. Bagarkar bateka umutwe now. Mahad. Of course, omupira nogoksha wa district ya Rwampara. Of course, comments nyingi la kazete na jati la kazete juu unajati tomorrow nembaga kabwohe aiba na himbise gwe versus Paulo Muchurezi. Of course, nyinshi akane no musado gundi na crossing omupira mpora garakane bakwata mukachesh. Now Kamith go for Mio misses from close range. Kamith go for Mio. Of course, no way omba good players. Our team against homeboys. No way omba sanobarunja team against homeboys. Kemith Rwofomio. So far qualified to Uganda StarTimes the Premier League. Of course, our comments in Ninja Najrati. Sure win for Rwampara. Najrati. Rakazete Harika MTN everywhere you go. Patorika now, just the number 5. Mbagarika Bakota Mpora Rwampara now. Sadam Nasa, Sana Mpora Kusokuranda Mahad, Bagarika Bakota Gadafika Chanchu. Now, Ahmad, Shadow Tanu Mpora, Gadafika Chanchu, Bagarika Bakwata Makasigazi, just the number 14. Mweto Omkurukumanyaka. Now Sadatin Subgana Kuraka Koreani Mupira na Sigaban Sadatin Subka crossing Mupira Pora Sadat Subgana Jati Zamshare Nastera Sanu Sadatin Subga Nasarumutanu now came through for me. Naisana Jati Zam take catch corner Sadatin Subga Naisana Sharamutanu Sadatin Subga. Henabachangun throw in. Here one part of course 2 wasteful Sadatin Subga. Sadatin Subga of course was one of the best young players. Our team a Mbarara Babo Chayukaho. How he the woman could Kumanyanka coach Waswa Bossa. Of course, the Biara Mutamburi under Charles Livingston Babazi. Tareva even about Kumaheso suspension. Of course, he's a copy of Simon Peter Mugerwa, Baturika Mawuya Simon. Take out Mutumpura now Kadafi Kachanchu. Baturika Bajangu Anufrikik Abwa Mbarara City. Of course, as so far 0-0 Baturika Mukurukumaka Ogwang Joel, just the number 4 by district Empire Rwampara Dumusana team against homeboys. I'm a Kunjunga on free kick Ogwang Joel. Nomusani a power team ya Chiges homeboys Ogwang Joel. Crossing Mupira Pora Pizakrona Ega Alanchera, take Mpira Mahad. Of course, Najrati. Mpira gubogokushka nachati omupira gubogokushka ogwa district ejimpaha eya Rwampara baturika jasena wa 15 mweto omukuru kumaka Kasbat asana ronda Kemith go for me now Owen tira pasi ni jumnonga Mahad kurunda Gadafika Chanchu now Daviko Clinton kamujishana ronda ho Sadatin Subga Jasena Bideven Sadatin Subga Najatu Miroko Basibra Sadatin Subga Naron Hanibisana Bateka Umuta Ogwang Joel so far composed Kanika Simon Najatu Mizamba Shara Kanika Simon crossing up Purapa Daviko Clinton Kamuchisha of course Bajangya offside. Daviko Clinton Kamchayal offside now Barak Bakwata Kautaka Batimu ya Rwampara district Bagarkana Bakwata Purapora now Barak Nazana Noha just in number 13 rather district Empire Rwampara Najatu Mizamba Share. Of course Bagarkana Mpira now Emma Gadafika Chanchu Nazana ho Kachanchu Gadafini Bisana Mamtekas Bajangu Haro free kick. Bajangu Haro free kick. Of course so far twakarebere composure Mbarara City. Of course nubo bari omuka now Kanyike Simon Najati Zamshare Bajangu ya offside. Of course, akanyike yali offside mbatulika Kazbat jersey number 15. Batulikana nakasiga jersey number 12 atonjire Agre. Chigez Homeboys are prayer atonjire Agre. Let's go mupira pura now. Emma take out with Barak. Obamwete Abraham. Now Emma again. Now Saddam Nasa. Atijangu harumu offside aho mpura batijangu free kick ine Mbarara City. Of course harumu offside. Of course twaza kureba comments nyingi eziri amukutugwito gwa YouTube. Of course njera ku commentinga. Of course amukutugwito gwa YouTube tayari DStv. Of course twinira post al X or Twitter. Asa kutera prediction ya timu ya Mbarara City na timu ya Rwampara. Of course otebana kufuruinga tayari DStv. Crossing mpira pura mukrume. Now he's got but take up Fatima pura Mahad crossing mpira pura nice sana rondo mkono kuma kadaviko kinto kamuchana take ho na Ogwang Joel na kugarika bakwata Saddam Nasa now Baraka Kane bagarika bakwata mkono kuma Kazbat jersey number 15 kachike Muhammad narga na yang kachike Muhammad na sana crossing mpira ne wa sharo musika crossing mpira Daviko kamujisha now 14 crossing mpira pura na unsubuka Sadat Nasa unsubuka Katiba! What a lovely goal! Zuku Sadat scored from close range. Mbarara City with the lead. Live at Kacheka main stadium. Mbarara City with a lead. Of course, Mbarara City mbatunga goro kulabiro Musadati Zuka. Muzano wa timu ya Mbarara City FC Mwamuru Kumakahona na Mumina Paka. Of course, so far one of the best wingers, one of the best young players. Kabatimeji omishoka box so Mbarara City member timu ya Rwampara kasiga zikacha kurunji mnonga hwati awe Sadati Zuka jasu mpira kurunji mnonga yakanga mukache jasindika mbungu golikipa ya tano kurunji mnonga Abdul Shakur Jiko so far concedes the second call of Ankole Cup. Hawa district jimpa ya Rwampara Abdul Shakur Jiko Pautera golo takabichenjera Sadati Zuka kasiga sikasiva kurunji murongo mupira kaja tumurinka Rwampara. Of course Ogwanga Joel ya emeride kubi omusigazi nka Bugaga Pore. Of course na uwa bamkwata counter attack bagarikana batandika mupira batimu ya Mbarara City jersey number 14 bagarikana bakwata ukache Sadati Zuka nice sana jato mwize mbashare Sadati Zuka hariya aha line. Of course ejoniyo line ye yobwire bwa waswa bossa Bisa bagarikana bamuya umpira nao Rwampara Ogwang Joel tena pasi ni jumno gari ya line bagarikana wakata baba Rwampara district bajaguma tebera jersey number 5 basa kwa mweta Patrick crossing mpira pura chemistry wotomia now Baraka Abraham tena pasi ni jumno now crossing mpira pura now mkurukuma kama Mahad Rashid sada timu ya Bunyaruguru United now Clinton Daviko kamshana ronda kajike Muhammad najat counter attack edition twenda goza zikika kisha tu Rwampara district group ningato mukurugamu now Mahad Rashid crossing mpira pura bagarikana bakwata pura jersey number 14 pasa kwa na mweta ho mkono kumanyaka bagarikana bakwata Owen crossing mpira pura Owen now crossing mpira ya Simon is there to save batoreka Edwin Opala Mukisa jersey number 14 aho district ya Rwampara so far so composed our team jimpahe ya Rwampara, but of course you cannot fail to concede. Of course no more Kumurugumi to defense. Of course Mbarara City they have a light press now Saddam Nasa kusingo mpira pura now Kinito Daviko kamchana teka chess Kinito Daviko na sana teka na tira wa 10 from Brazil Clintoninho kusingo mpira Sadati Zuka kanyike offside hamtura kumanyaka akatushu na Bruce this Mbarara City akatushu na Bruce. Of course jersey number 14 kwata mpira pura ni watu Patrick Kugema University football player ni watu Patrick jersey number 5. Of course Ebaka Esa University Football League nobomba sana wawene basana team ya Bukema University brother Bukema University basakwa na mweta ni watu Patrick jersey number 5 kwa singo mugume sana timu ya Karo Karungi bagarukana bakwata mu pakace. Of course twina mabazana, of course Karo Karungi products Mbarara bereho timu Karo Karungi ni leo musigazi kuma Kabarak, of course na Sandra twina Brian mugume, of course na zana timu ya Karo Karungi Mahad Rashid na wakazana timu ya Karo Karungi Trafiko Clinton kamujishana producing some good talents. Now Ogwang Joel, Chigen's Homeboys football player, Ogwang Joel, so far composed, Ogwang Joel. Tera pasi ni jumuronga na isana runda wa mukuru kumanyaka atonjire Agre, Sharagada Bikachanchu, now Ogwang Joel, now atonjire Agre. Tera pasi ni jumuronga nuya, sasana runda mukuru kumaka Owen, take out Mutempura Pura, of course, Karim Ramadhani, Thea Mawuya Simon is also there to save. Batoreka Egaku Alan Chelat, aho a screen out Egaku Alan Chelat with a tinted hair. Kosingo mpira pura pachango piano go kushikwa Rwampara. Of course mpira kugwa kwa guti chibachi mansangu district ya Rwampara. Baba singwa omusaro gwabo go kubanza omuchikope echimpaha Africa Cup 50th edition. Of course omusaro gwabo gwa kasha tubine wins sukinga dibire nubwe mbire chimesa. Achikuba chimansangu timu ya Mbarara City gwa gute ne ya sobodero butano. Of course mbabazo omuchifo echa kabiri. Telebidiso bedi anyuma wazo timu ya Isinjo bagwa makazi 0-0 na Mbarara district, of course nabo bari omukibinjani cyo chumwe, so Kashari na Isinjo aho ari Rwampara Arena nabo kwira makazi 0-0. Chikuba chimanyisa kucha kugenda chiti Mbarara City mbabisa points zukinga dita sadati zubga crossing omupira pora gadafika chacho crossinga na Mahat Rashid crossing omupira pora bachango mpira gwagwishire Pachangu Agro Creek near Rwampara district. Now Ogwang Joel crossing omupira pora Rwampara district again. Crossing omupira pora now atonjire Agre. Now Baraka Karo Karungi football player and captaino Rwampara district tera pasi njumnonga ibizara barondoha bagaraka bagas Garza na Barak bazaro pora bag tera pasi njumnonga hano yana kura kabadi na garaka na sana ona atonjire Agre chase number 12 crossing omupira pora now Egak Alan Chelad Mamutimanu Gaddafi Kachanchu now counter attack Kachanchu Gaddafi Kanyike Muhammad crossing omupira Kanyike Muhammad wajang kona kick ne Mbarara City. Machangu kona kiki ne Mbarara City so far. Mbarara City wembiro musana kore murusha oguna jati. We love you here in Chekekwa Abatayari TV. Chebare basakwa no mwetaho Musima brand. Batoreka kona kiki ne Mbarara City omukuru kumanyaka Saddam Nasa mnaza kutuleta mu akona kiki oguna jati Rwampara juu amchonan from here in Bushwere Mwizi Rwampara. Oguna jati Ashua uhini ya Rwampara. Let's wait and see. Now crossing mpira pora corner kick. Goalkeeper na isana kwata mu Mpora Juko. Of course half-time goes like that. 1-0 team Mbarara City, of course 0 district Rwampara Sadat Suga with the lead. Mbarara City, of course, so far makes a difference. About team Mbarara City, of course, a second squad call. Habatimeji Jimpa Mbarara City, of course. Atukaribaudi Clinton Daviko kwa mchano weya wadiza kutebera team ya Mbarara City. Bakusana ona district Jimpa isinjiro bizano kawa za goal ahadiye mare kaberebere. Ninga Rwampara Arena, of course, so far in the third match. Katukariba bako 1-0 first match. Chukuma chimanyisangu Sadati Nsubuga. Nateba kuru ya kabira bwa district, rather abwa City Jimpa Mbarara City. Nateba goal ya kabiri aba Mbarara City. Of course, first half nabasa kwari gwa ni tambura esyo. Of course, Tayara West TV beka mda sports master twine kubasa kuba kwereza byinji, making a show kugira ngo basa kuba no following social media platforms zitu, basa kuba no tera comments Alex. Of course, tuza kuhumura mukache abwecho kachitu echo kubanza, then a second half tuza kuba turgaye tukora some comments, tuza kuba tubona interviews, tuza kuba tubona ba team captains, tubona ba coaches, what you need to do. Yakumire ambeza Tayari West TV.
Umribu wa Tayari West TV.
akahoho kararugokwe kukaransonasona nkunyishe na bene iwe.
Hati turakozesa sabundi za Wandazi.
It is okay, ndebire wanyirira n'abana batakeyagura. Kamba njurire esabundi za Wandazi zirimo ebirungo byo muhendo okuhumuraje no kuhwero kumaraho burwire bwo mubiri okananuka okanyirira. Aba Wandazi beine Wandazi medicated soap nerwaniso bukoko aha mubiri beine Wandazi herbal soap ebyo kweyaguzo rugusyo wacha wewe beine Wandazi baby soap ejineri ndaje mibiri y'abana ejikwata mememe. Aba Wandazi beine Wandazi black soap okuchencho burofuka mu mubiri okasigarura bobera. Aba hoteli na guest houses mutwarira abajenyi banyu Wandazi guest soap eina kahoho karungi. Esabuni za Wandazi ziryo mu maduka gono mwihanga omu retail na wholesale zikakakasibwa na UNBS abo byo mutindo. Abariko no mbwinji tere simu noti 383 gura hati.
Wonders, always wonderful.
In the neighborhood, near stagnant water and mosquito breeding sites, malaria lurks, always waiting to strike. But fear not, for here comes Mr. Vaxa, the ultimate protector against malaria. For years, malaria has been one of the biggest threats to children under 5, making them weak and even putting their lives at risk. But now, the government is introducing a new solution, the malaria vaccine. The malaria vaccine is now in the routine immunization schedule. The malaria vaccine is administered in 4 doses at 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, and 18 months. This vaccine will provide extra protection against severe malaria. And don't forget, routine immunization protects children from many deadly diseases. Every vaccine matters. Visit the nearest health facility for routine immunization services today. Mr. Vaxa, the malaria vaccine is free, safe, and ready to protect our children. Will you join the fight and complete all 4 doses? For more information, call the Ministry of Health on 0800 100 066. This message is brought to you by the Ministry of Health.
Hati mchara
Wanje mwami
numanya abana nubagaruka yahishomero kandi ibintu bikiri kubi. Aha bwashota kutwara icweka cya fiza y'ishomero rya Junior rireza motoka tukazishashura bwanyuma.
Mwami wanje abwacita kushashura ntukozesa momo naho tukutungira umugisha gwo kwangura school fees zo mwaka gwona nebindi konka nabwo basa kushabaroni ya fizi obwe n'amashomero agacejumbira muri basa kwangura school van
namazuma singura school fees yo mwaka gwona nebindi binji tunga binji ahabwa momo na van y'ishomero ahabo kwejumbiramo no basa no kushabaroni ya school fees echawe nyiga star emwe mukagitano star munana noti hash ninga koresa momo app.
And that's it for today. Till the next episode.
Like a daily bando, like a daily bando, like a daily bando. Omuliro nguwulira muli mu mutima kukankana like drums. Kalakata, kalakata, enendungu ya kusabula. Mikono juu.
This June, step into a bigger entertainment experience with more to love on Us. We're talking more drama, more action, more unforgettable stories, all waiting for you. We're opening up our world of entertainment so you can view more. Okay. This June, pay for your current GoTV subscription and we'll upgrade you at no extra cost.
Hati mchara
wanje mwami
numanya abana nibagaruka y'ishomero kandi ebintu bikiri kubi abo bashota kutwara icweka cya fiza y'ishomero rya junior rireza motoka tukazishashura bwanyuma
mwami wanje abo acita kushashura ntukozesa momo naho tukutungira umugisha gwo kwangura school fees zo mwaka gwona nebindi konka nabona basa kushabaroni ya fizi obwe n'amashomero agacejumbire muri basa kwangura school van
namazima singura school fees yo mwaka gona nebindi binji tunga binji ahabwa momo na vani y'ishomero ahabo kwejumbiramo nobasa no kushabaloni eya school fees echawe nyiga star emwe mukagitano star munana noti hash ninga koresa momo app.
Bino bintamye kene nawe bwante walisanyi Get in pewa kazero kombocha drink.
Problem, akuja chako. What is it now?
Ah, later now, wait, later. What the hell? Wait.
Kakane buli magenda kufuna. Laba none na sange. Neda kachiri bashi. Gwengera kuwa kazero kombucha, gwengera kuwa kazero tawata. Naye kwata. Kochimani mbona bana bade myaka musanvu. Myaka musanvu bedu. Gabari mu business. Kali buli mungenda mu myaka tumakwata.
Bino bikoredwa aba Jonathan and Frank Investments abawongezewa People's Choice Quality Award. Bidi abiri mwetano. Bakuletede ne kazero drink and win promotion. Eranga chusanga mukasanikira cho wangula. Buno kazero tiwali chikuwangula.
Hope you had better luck than us. Did you get the crown? Open it. Man, this better be real. What? Where's the crown?
Grab your popcorn because this season, The Crown is on Pearl Magic Prime. Sundays at 8 p.m.
Omara kuruka gomba ogutebeka nisibwe ba Swift Initiatives Limited omuchayi kacheka Mbarara ufutandika niburu 26 ebyo kwezi kwa mukaga okwisebura 5 ebyo kwezi kwa mushanju omwakogo aha main gate ne 12 zonka no kuleba nyamishwa ne 12 zonka abana b'amashomero aha main gate eshiringira 10 kandi kuleba nyamishwa nazo ni 10 zonka mungena b'amakorera amahango hamwe n'amace abaza banks telecom companies za companies zikora byo kunywa abahinja batunyi n'abarisa abari kuri byo mikono abari kushubura imyenda enkeito abamabara amahotel n'abari kosa za mucomo amashomero n'amatendekero mwena ni mwetwa nije murebe nyamishwa engabia embarasi uruziramire ubunyankogote maya ugonya nenjeya babuniga abana mwarya face painting swimming pool y'abana bouncing castles rero sakasinse y'umurembe egali yo mweka y'abana uri kwenda kubukinga akasimu noti mushaje 2 anana mukaga kinana na mukaga
Uganda mwetegese abasambi bompira bakabi munsi yonna esawa yonna ogenda kubota buliro awo mudiro lyo ante mpaka zompira ez'ekikopo ky'ensi yonna FIFA World Cup 2026 zizino zigguse okuva nga 11 Juni okutuuka nga 17 July 2026 butereevu okuva Mexico, Canada ne USA tosubwa abasambi ab'amaanyi munsi yonna nga bubeefuka Mbappe anaba wakabine ku luno Messi anabikola neera Africa enejjako ekikwa ku mulundi guno Jude Bellingham anaddamu okwefuga amakati oba Haaland anaazitebanga bw'abadde. Tosubwa emipiira gyonna 14 butereevu ku AZAM TV. Weefunire dekoda ya AZAM TV ku mitwalo 4 gyokka oba ey'omunaana ejjirako n'ekisowaani. Dduka mu nnambiro gyefunire okuva ku bakitunzi baffe okwetooloola eggwanga lyonna oba kuba essimu 032 308 908.
AZAM TV, entertainment for everybody.
Mweshongozi Waitkate Mukiza yaturetera gunda mugisha mega ronchi Sunday ya 2012 kwezi kwa mushanjo mwaka ogu ahari University in Mbarara ashagatirwa beshongozi bamani nkabetu muwanguzi okurga Kampala Zion Kwaya Lilian Nabasa Nora Nankunda Best Emily Disan Kato Julius Muhozi Bingana Joffrey Reverend Katunzi Kachaina Media n'abandi binji ebyo kuzanisa by'abana okutahamu manya batoni shirinje 15 abakuru no mutwaro VIP ne mutwari 10 family table emutwaro 50 silver table miliyoni 1 golden table miliyoni 2 ebiri kukiraho tera noto mushanjo note 3 anani 5 shanjo na mukaga 16 bishagikirwe
Ashaba music. This one's for the friends out there.
Hi Fireflies, this is Ashaba music straight out of Kavale. I am inviting you for my concert which is going to be on 10th July. It's a Friday and you have no excuse.
Kitundu kitu ekya kabiri Mbarara City of course bachayimbire team y'Amapara of course backup the sports pastor Real Judge of course tubase kuba tutira mutoche kigambo 12 tukuza omusegenda Mbarara City yakora cyo kusinga Rwampara kandi Rwampara district bakore ki kurebeka at least babona point hano ya kitu ekyaka cheka main stadium.
Beckham okureba ndekekana nitano kuzaba turecho cyo kubanza biyare twareba district ya Rwampara baburamu na mnongo midfield Mbarara City dominating midfield kandi wano reba umusigazi Clinton David Kamugisha bamuhereza mo touch za mupira and the moment wakwata Rwampara brother wakwata district ya Mbarara City Clinton kamuhereza touches nyinja mupira naza kwa nakoze ngatireta ariko nabasuta kuteba but ikintu cyo gukora mpera na kimanya kandi composure y'umusigazi Sadat Subuga naye abasipane toreka nguriyare kuriya line ya Rwampara mu defense line bakoze ngatireta then na discipline ya defense umusigazi Muhammad ari mu center back then a goalkeeper nawe abasipane akomandika kurunje shenge then Rwampara I think twabura more okureba hari Mbaraka midfield passes za kuchira futere ningwa tukazirebere kandi still wari umusigazi akasigazi ka agro shot 12 nako nyika katwiro mpira gwenyini mutuma nyoga Rwampara kureka Rwampara second half bine kwanda bakora mu just impinduka emwe bongere kuhereza umusigazi kandi Egaku Alan umuhereza touches kusinga hariye asipana kunumusha cyo kubanza asigara reka clear this babasikon bagaruko muzanga
Kirengu full time Rwampara tugereza loss yo kubanza omuryogo muza.
Yeah, Mbarara City yo cyo kwasipana bahangura muzano.
Okay, of course ekitundu cyo muzano kitu ekya kabiri of course chaza kubasa kubanukirwa cyane kandi mbatorekaho abazani of course ababase kubana baragane betereza so making a show kuja gwatambura nitwe tubase kubanza kwisaho edakika. Of course tuzagarakaho aho full time of course tuzakuba twamanyene binje birabase kubane burga omuzano of course tubase kuba tuganira binje na munonga ekirabase kuba inkiriga kitambwire kube even angwana interviews tuganireho n'abantu batari bamwe na bamwe abakurga omu camp ya Rwampara amwe nangwa na Mbarara district beka mu sports pastor because Real Jose tudya kurebeka enshonga zimpaha tubase kuba tukutwara omisyo twase kuba tukutwara omisho of course tukurebaho noha urabase kuba nargaye nasinga omusano ogumpaha acha icyakacheka main stadium of course baturika Mbarara City of course bagarika bagarra composure yabiba bine omuceka cyo kubanza bagarika baturika Sadat Nsubuga hatira pass n'injumnonga yaronse Clinton kamushabad is also there Juko Abdul Shakur Juko naga natandikana Ogwang Joel Jazzy number 4 Msana TV ya Chigezo Boys bagarikana bakwata mukache Nasa take out chase control Gadafika Chanchu akada zano na Sadati Nsubuga Maturikaho Jazzy number 3 aba district jimpa ya Rwampara bakarekana bakwata mpora bajangu haro free kick mukuru kimanga mugaga pore bajangu mugaga pore bamusaruro kubi na ogwang chowe natandika huna Barak Abraham cheka pasi mpora bakarekana bateka muto mabuya Simon kaisa na chira kunju mnongo mpira of course second half from Mbarara City of course wacha mbiro Kanyike Muhammad now kangutataka nubizani bateka hasi bajangu nogo kushika ijangu nogo kushika nogo Rwampara of course bagutera Kanyike Muhammad bajangu nogo kushika nogo district jimpaya Rwampara baturika mukuru kumanyaka baturika mukuru kumanyaka Agre jaze number 12 Akuria of course nano mukuru kumanyaka Kazbat of course anogo kushanogwa Mbarara City Mahad now Gaddafi Kachanchu barakada bakwata matunjiri Agre nogo kushka Mbarara City Jasen number 17 Brad Mugume Karuka Yunju football player Brad Mugume of course na jatu mishka yumuteri mito tubone goro ya kabiri tubone stabilizer Mugume Brad of course mbagarakana bateka umuto now Barak bagarakana bakwata mukache now Saddam Nasa bagarakana bakwata mpora now Saddam Nsubuga or rather Sadat Nsubuga just number 14 Rwampara Mukisa sana utekaanza crossing umupira nibisana bagarakana bakwatamu aba district jimpaha ya Mbarara City rather Mbarara City batijangu nikona kiki ni ya Rwampara just number 3 Mweteo Mugaga Pore Amuraza kutureta mukona kiki na chirekera jaze number 14 basakuwa no mwetaho wa Edwin Opara Mukisa Obusana timu ya Chigezi Homeboys Edwin Opara Mukisa Muraza kutureta mukona kiki baturika batezi barunjube mitwe kinito Daviko kamuchana jatu twene tuzeyo turoze mitwe crossing omupira Edwin Opara Mukisa now kinito Daviko akarekana bamisinga baturika Saddam Nasa nasompira kuri nyumunonga haraine bachangu no gokshika Nogwa Mbarara City, of course, Asofa Mbarara City with the lead 1-0. Now, Saddam Nasa, now Mahad. Kosingo mpira kuri Daviko Clinton kamujishamba teka mutatonjire Agre rather na shohuza Agra tonjire. Bakarekana batwereka Kasigas Ema kwata mpora teka mutwe omukuru kumanyaka Agre now Barak Abraham Matorika Patrick now Kanyike Muhammad na tira sizaza ho midfield na isakarakana arunda gadafika chanchu na garakana ya humpira now Mahad na sana mpora just number 14 Mwete Bruce tira pasi njumnonga kulonda ho Saddam Nasa now Mahad na kwata mpora gadafika chanchu haya line tira pasi nji gadafika chanchu na itorozo muntu Kanyike Muhammad na garakana zono na Mahad tira pasi njumnonga dibisana kwa Mubaraka Abraham Timu ya Karuka nje even na Rwampara now atonjire Agre number 12 crossing omupira mulingo munonga nebizana bateka homutwe now jaze number 13 Emma bagarika namba kwatamu jaze number 14 Edwin Mukisa kwatamu mpora Saddam Nasa now Ogwang Joel back to jaze number 12 now Agre atonjire back to Ogwang Joel tambura mpora Joel Ogwang Pasini juminonga ho midfield nibisana borondoha bagarikana bakwata mpora Kanyike Muhammad mukuru kwa Gaddafi Kachanchu tena pasini juminonga align Sadati Nsubuga na kwata mpora Gaddafi Kachanchu umupira nibisana bachangu no gokushika bachangu ompira no gokushika baturika Gaddafi Kachanchu former Police FC player former Nyamitobora FC player Mbarara City FC player Gaddafi Kachanchu bamwomba sana abazarirwe hanuya umucanga Mbarara City of course bakora menshi ukacyuka Rwampara nabari tajase number 17 Mwete tumwesije Gilbert barabona bazakora menshi ukacyuka basakureta mutu mwesije Gilbert jase number 17 very young Of course, nawamureba kuri mnonga aho face noreba ngo nakada katoni kaya mal chase number 17 batoreka mugume. Nashiko mpira mulingo mnonga na rota Clinton Daviko kamunisha kwata mpora mpora Daviko Clinton shot. Mpira over the bar. Of course, nibisara bazakora menchuka chuka chase number 17 tumwesije Gilbert. Twose barumune bazakora menchuka chuka tumwesije Gilbert. Batureka nibihaye umukuru uri kumanyanka Patrick nuwatu Patrick. Jaze number 5 nuwatu Patrick. Of course, no musana arubugema University. Barita umukuru kumaka jaze number 17 tumwesije Gilbert. Biya nuwatu Patrick. Bugema University football player. Agwangcho. Pura now Rwampara. Bakwato Sadati Subga. Teranu Kanzumbagarkan Bagutomeraho now. Just now 14 Bakwata Mupuramparu now. Mbarara City just number 13. Mbarara City. Sakwano Mweta Emma. Twebaze Emma. Of course, so far so composed. Amina Karim Ramadan. Of course, Waka Kosi DJ Ankole. Mbarara City. Crossing on Pira Pora Mabuya. Nice and Aquata Kujumonga Mabuya Simon. Tajat to Jen account was a Mushore box Mabuya Simon for my UPDF prayer. Mbarara City being a chance yo cause saho akasega zikao team Dennis former URA football player watena sana timu ya Gaddafi baturika manu masya jase number 17 tumwesije Gilbert yabona tachi yo kubaza batopira kwa gudia hero baturika mugume brand karunji football player of course na sana aho omcentral defense na Barbara kabasigaza ba Barak baniyonzima Benon Ateka umutempura now Clinton Daviko Kamujisha hata mpira mpura Daviko Clinton Kamujisha Taisana unda Sadati subu kompea bachangu kompea kudia heno gokshika Togwa Rwampara district Atuka jase number 3 mweto mukuru kuma kapore Nataka mpira mpura Pakarikana wakata ugada vika chanchi bajangu Bajangu no gokshika still Abwa district jimpaya Rwampara Pakarikana baturi kapore Mugaga Tataka mpira mpura now Barak Abraham Kachangu harumu oksinika na Barack Abraham hamwe na Gaddafi Kachanchu Nagurichira Ogwang Joel Tanika mpura na Barack Abraham Teka umutempura omukuru kumanyanka Mukuru kumanka aka tujuna Bruce jase number 14 Tanika mpura pore Mugaga now Pagarika bajangu no gokshika Pagarika bajangu no gokshika Nogwa Mbarara City mugume Crossing mupia Daviko Clinton Kamujisha isana pona counter attack. Let's wait and see. Daviko Clinton Kamujisha Ryan. Of course arumuna ronda corner kick. Pia nakwata mubati Najangu no gokshika. Now Pore. Mugaga Pore. Hata Mupura Bruce. Rather Mugume. Now. Mugume again. Mugume. Terapasu Munoga Ryan. Bagarkana Bakwata Mupure Mugaga. Now. Newcomer Mweteo. Tumwesi Gilbert. Crossing on Pora. Kanyike Muhammad, Tika Umutu Pora Bazan Ragakan Bashosa Park, Nagakan Sana Ogwanga Chowin, Sanona Agre. Pagakan Bakwata Mukanyike Muhammad Baba Kusrebuhanda, Kanyike Muhammad, Tera Pasan Jumunga Gadafika Chanchu, back to Kanyike Muhammad, crossing Omupira Kanyike Naisana Jati Zank Shade Kanyike Muhammad, crossing Omupira Kanyike Muhammad, now Saddam Nasser Ken, the goalkeeper there to save. Abdul Shakur Juko. Now, Kemisi goes for me yo. Natira Pasunu Jumunga Nio midfield Kronda Mukisa Opara Edwin Mukisa Opara Edwin Mukisa Opara Okwang Opara Ekene Gaku and the goalkeeper there to save again. Mabuya Simon Rwampara babagezeho kwata ka counter attack. Pore Mugaga Abraham Barak Abraham. Babasa kumwitaho Atshire Abraham batabenjuru Barak. Atshire Abraham abenjuru manka Barak. Captain wa timu ya Karuka Runje Muamuru kumanka Nkunzire Prak. Abenjuru manyaho Barak. Captain wa timu Jimpa ya Rwampara Bizana bashika Brand Mugume. Teka mutega dafika chanchu bakarikana bakwata mbajangu no gukushano gwa Rwampara. Baturika Ogwang Joel Nagurekera Pore Mugaga. Take out Mutumpona Pora to West Gribat. Take out Egaku Aran Gerard. Terapasun Jumunga New midfield. Now Suga Sadat. Bakarikana Batimam Bajang have no free kick. Gosum Gamba Chakireka Kabekumira Beza Tire West TV. Our side Sayuanda, our side Sa Fort Potro. Of course, our side Sa Rwampara, our side Sa Rukunjiri. Of course, comments Ninji. Comment box, of course, comments Ninja YouTube. Baturika free kick omukuru kumanya Kapore Mugaga. Hamire kunjimunonga omu free kick ahumpaho. Pore Mugaga. Crossing omupira mpora now Mugume Pran. Bakarika Maronda Agra Atonjire Narunda Ogwang Joel. Ogwang delivers one to find Egaku. Now Kalimu Ramadhan. Bakarika na take omutwe. Now go for Mio. Bakarikana bakwata Owen. Sanyike Muhammad. Mbarara, of course, barumuru bachiza kuzana nao nsubuga Sadat nagurekera Gaddafi Kachanchu again au midfield Kachanchu. Ebisana bamutekanse bakiranga utine kiro tuyemuke na Baraka again for the bar. Baraka Abraham over the bar. Kasiga zikaye Teresa referee acha to pray on kasindika mdoko mupira kwa wasakwenda kusahe Barak Abraham. Hajiniz GPs Ogompea tukubaro mu GPs nkarunan Barak Abraham Magres shot Gabriel Magres shot Kasiga zikasindika mboko. Of course gwa kwasha ngo mukoro mu rubakipa nkabana. Habasango mukoro mu bakipa nkabana. Crossing omupira mu buya Simon Gaddafi Kachanchu teka humutwe. Ebisana baronda Kirito Daviko kamchanao Rata mukoro kumaka Agre. Bisana timu ya Chigezi Homeboys tera pasu njumunonga bisana baronda Jezena Bilevene mweto Owen. Crossing omupira mpora Owen na sharu mutanu ya Owen. Crossing omupira chase number. Ebisana baronda Alan Egaku Gerard. Mabuya Simon is there also to save. Mabuya Simon Kangu akosidikira kor emweyo nko mu kikope cyankoreka po misanesha tu. Of course kareba a district ya Isincho bakumuteba kor ejompaho omukoro kumaka Dickson Chihanga. Hamzana team ya Maroons FC of course we atebire Mabuya Simon na Kanyike Muhammad. Mbarara City Kanyike Muhammad na chatu Muizemba Share Kanyike Muhammad so far so composed. Gaddafi Kachanchu and your midfield. Tena paso njumunonga bisana baronda Sadam Nasa na garika na ituru anu your midfield. Na Gaddafi Kachanchu na garika na baronda Brand Mugume. Crossing up pira acha what a miss. Batijangu no go kushika Brand Mugume. Nachoreka atumwesije hata mpona bagarika na bagwiba nao. Bizana baronda Kanyike Muhammad, Rastaman, Kanyike Muhammad, cheze number 26 na jatu Muizemba Shane Batetizas, Kanyike Muhammad bagarika na bakata Baraka Abraham. Take up pass mpora Agre. Bizana baronda Owen. Rwampara. Now Kemith Rothomio Narunda Barak passing in Jumunonga Bisana Baronda Ho Bisana take out Mutu Emma. Now to Messiche Patampura Pataka Segaseka Mujata the experience I have about Timia Karoka Runji. Of course Kuterwa Amacha Bisana Basakura Mu substitution Barita Jasen number 2 Meto Mukurokuma Mugume Edson Jasen number 2. Ebisana baza kuronda yo rata batreta mujase number 2 Mugume Edson. Ebisana badeta rata nibiha yo Namanya Owen. Of course bachanti Kwese barimo baza kuletamo encyukacyuka aba district ejipa ya Rwampara baturika Manicho aho touchline naganira na Clinton Daviko Kamcha hapa Mbarara City batorekamu even nangwa na injury ahubwo mukuru no kumanya nka Emma basa kuba no mwetaho Emma twebaze jaze number 13 of course nagaruka nabakora mencyukacyuka rather roof na jatu tubaze tutandika umupira nawo tumwesije crossing umupira bakirangu hari substitution jaze number 2 Edison Mukume Libya yo jaze number 11 mweteho namanya Owen omusana timu ya Rwampara Bulls Owen Nuwatuha rather Owen namanya Homazana team ejimpa ya Rwampara Bulls of course yabasa kuba nashora tari kompira mugume pran garakana bakwata mupora ogwangu chowe Kemith Rothomio kwata mupora Kemith Rothomio bagarakana bakwata mujaze number 14 batutara counter attack Odrino para Mukisa now tumwesije nakora stop hanu ya Paraka tera pass ni jumnongana bizamba kwata wanu ya Ryan now Pore ogwangu chowe garafika chanchu chakaina ngo mpira bachangu no gokshika Pore Mugaga kwata mpora Kemith Rothomio now Subuga Sadat na jatu mwize Bashara Subuga Sadat now Kemith Rothomio gadafika chanchu na jatu mwize Bashara gadafika chanchu tera pass ni jumnoga Muhammad Kanyuke pasingo mpira pura jazina Batuman Masya bagarkan bakwata Mahad tera pass ni jumnoga niyo midfield nagarkan sana Muhammad Kanyuke na jati za kushara Muhammad Kanyuke tera pass ni jumnoga ni bisana barunda ho mukono kumanyaka Bruce pass ni jumnoga Muhammad Kanyuke Muhammad hajatu mwizemba shade na Kemith Rothomio nagarkan sana una no mukono kumanyaka Bruce tera pass ni jumnoga kurona Mahad back to Kanyuke Muhammad pass ni jumpora Bruce akarekana bakwiba baka aba timu ya Rwampara pass ni jumnoga kuronda Egaku Alan Jera jaze number 10 pass ni jumnoga hari ya Ryan jaze number 2 mweto mukono kumaka Edson crossing umupira pora Edson akaseka zinikanga akaseka zikajaze number 3 nikanga dekazana timu ya Bunyarugu United hasa kubano mwetaho Mahad Rashid Toma Karuka Runjo football player aho mumpakeza Fufa Big Creek of course currently at Bunyarugu United. Of course nomwe ombasada bakurire hano yo mucyange cya Mbarara City. Of course nasanira echanga echa Ankole province omumpaka is a Fufa Tram Mahad Rashid atoreka nababuya Simon even nasanira a Fufa Tram awe change cha Ankole goalkeeper Mabuya Simon crossing mpira pura midfielder Kanyike rather Daviko Clinton bakwata mpora Mahad na sana yirukanga na Edson Haria Ryan Edson Bachati haro goal kick jump haro goal kick near Mbarara City. Of course Mbarara City goal eme Rwampara 0 of course mpira kugwa kwa guti chiba chimaisa team ya Rwampara babatunga loss yabo yo kubanza mu 50th edition ya Ankole Cup. Of course as so far 2 games is basada been 2 wins. So far 2 games 2 wins. Of course batungira mu injury kwingana emwe ya Dominica Bongo mzano wa timu ya Chigezi Homeboys. Of course tiyari bika msano gumpaha wawase kuwana mamu repressing na Edwin Opara Mukisa jersey number 14. Of course so far outstanding in this game Edwin Mukisa Batoreka Agre Atonjire Agre jersey number 12 crossing umupira pora bateka umute Karimu Ramadhan now jersey number 7 bagarika ne bakata mukoro kumaka Bruce Kanyike Muhammad ndumabona tubakumshanga right bakwata mpora now jersey number 5 crossing umupira pora Mugume stay also Mugume brand akasiga jersey number 5 mweteho. Of course so far edachika nkago mucheka chite cha kabiri 0 Rwampara 1 Mbarara City. Of course edachika nkaga 30 minutes to go. Of course the goal scorer Sadati Nsubuga jersey number 11 Pamwe Ombembire chote cha Mbarara City Sadati Nsubuga. Of course so far the goal scorer, the man who gave us a difference in this very much, Sadati Nsubuga na msano wa timu ya Mbarara City FC mupakisa Uganda StarTimes za Premier League ikango Mbarara City tubaka kuzira musubstitution yona baramuna bazakora musubstitute narubaza kora musubstitute batoreka ba coaches ba Rwampara baramuntu bita Brian Mugume bagira ngo nywa hamiza Brian Mugume na Gaddafi Kachanchu bona barya mpaho batoreka na coach Sludge aho touchline coach Sludge Musindo batoreka even some of the experienced coaches bakwata mpora Sadati Nsubwa tera pass kuno na Gaddafi Kachanchu pamba jangu no gukushano gwa Rwampara batoreka gaga pore Tajati Rwampara tunywere na runda ega ku Aran Cherad kwa mpora ega ku Aran Cherad now Gaddafi Kachanchu pass ni jumunoga mbezamba sana Mukubi machangu pray on bezamba kwa mutumwesije pass ni Hanuya bezamba Kasinga man Emma now Clinton Daviko Kamugisha Emma again of course the goalkeeper is there just say number 1 Abdul Shakur Juko Abdul Shakur Juko goalkeeper at team Ejimpaha here Rwampara Blues FC Kwata Mumuta Blues now Mahad Tarapasu Njukrona Gaddafi rather Muhammad Kanyike Muhammad crossing Akrona Clinton Daviko Kamujishamba Chambial offside Clinton Daviko Kamujishayal offside Tanika Ogwang Joel Natanika on Abraham Barak Terapasu Njumonga Kugaraka Krona Ogwang Joel Terapasu Njumonga Nuya Ryan Bakaraka Baronda Ho Abru rather Mukrokumanyaka Brand Mugume Ogwang Joel Nazaftanika throw in a Graciera Por Mugaga Tanika Pora na Atonjire Agre Pasu Njumonga Nuyo midfield Krona Ega Aran Chera Chelsea number 10 former Soccer Club Ubira player, former Boma FC player, former Toro United player, former Wakiso player, Ega Aran Gerard, current Ratichiges Homeboys Football Club, Mpakeza Uganda, StarTimes Premier League, of course, Nogokshka Mugume Abran, Narunda Sadati Nsubwa, now Gaddafi Kachanchu, Kwatamu Pora, Joel Ogwank. Of course, Nabamwa Sanaba Yambere team ya Chiges Homeboys. Performing ajo mupakeza Fufa Big Creek abazani kaba Joel Okpang abazani kaba Tonjire Abraham of course abazani kaba Ogwang Joel abazani ba Aran Egaku tena abazani ba Kemith Golfomio Epang abazani ahubona mpaho then Edwin Opara hona baria Otiro even Dominica Ponga support Tonjire injury faturika Brand Mugume na jatu mwike umutiro mutwe Narunda Gaddafi Kachanchu na Opara kanargai na Yanga Gaddafi Kachanchu majam karmuksi Oksin kana Kachangu free kick ya Rwampara. So far a boring match at Kacheka main stadium. So far 50-50. Of course Mbarara City yati bakurabiro muri soga Sadat. Twakareba some opportunities, some golden chances. Batarika Ogwang Joel Kanyike Muhammad na isana kwata mpora Kanyike Muhammad Hanuya aho omurka wing 11 bakarika makwata Barak Abraham terapaso njumronga na Ega Alan Gerard na Isha pia na gushanga Brand Mugume na kureka kugizana kusahira bachangu no gushika Brand Mugume sana timu ya Karuka Runjo Football Club mpakeza Fufa Big Creek Mugume Brand. Of course waza kureba ho akatebeka team ya Mbarara City inabasigaza Nkakakekembo Hakim ndifu na Benard inabasana ba Satamu Nil Abdul Matovu ba Jamil Hamis Ogweti Gerard na Latif Yusuf hona bari ambatureka tumwesije atera pass kuronda Kemith Rothomi of course yatere chor Kemith Rothomi jise number 8 bajangu nogoksha ogwa Mbarara City. Of course we are live at Kacheka main stadium tayari WestTV Tufurunga social media platform Z2 Shangamu kutukita ogwa X formerly Twitter Shange at Instagram Shange at Facebook Shange at YouTube Kutibwa ku Tufurunga subscribe share and comment tilo comment ya utuza kuwa tushoma kuri mnonga maturikaja sena number 15 mkuru kubanka Kazbat atwebembire Kazbat. Of course Ejin Ankole Cup wano uramazina nka atwebembire Kazbat tarikompira pora bagarikana bateka chess control just number 2 weto mkuru kumaka Edson Haria Ryan Edson na Mahad bachangu nikona kiki ya Rwampara Edson na isana abutera Armahad Bajankario akona kick abwa Rwampara batureka Kasigaske Mithulu Thomio of course ayemerero mu corner kick batureka jaze number 14 Edwin Opara Mukisa na mushanga w'Imbarara City baza kuramo na substitution ture musani ndufu na Bernard dano musani uri kubanyanka Ogwet Gerard eshayo none baza kutamu batureka Kemith Rwathomio Chigez Homeboys football player baza kutireta mu corner kick Kemith Rwathomio of course coach Armunaza ku defending a coach of course one oreta umusana kandifu na Bernard dono za ku defending a jaze number 5 of course a defender to Mbarara City FC Kemith Rwathomio crossing go mupira defense bakana bakwata mu miss of course Mbarara City ni bisana betasya Mbarara City ni bisana betasa of course ni baza kura mu substitution na Mbarara City bachangu substitution ndefu na Bernard jaze number 4 aza kutamuna Ogwet Gerard jaze number 9 ekikuba nchimanyisa ngo abazani abarumunka either Kanyike Muhammad ninga Clinton Daviko of course no inekora menchuka ninga she omusani Kasadam Nasa of course no inekora menchuka of course Clinton Daviko kamchanarika yo captain inatsinzira Sadam Nasa chikuba nchimanyisa ngo Ogwet Gerard na sasa wanatama teammate mpaya ya Mbarara City Ogwet Gerard natamu mcha Clinton Daviko kamcha nza kuba tureba ndifu na penalty either onekura mu substitution okya musanika Emma Twebase of course biyamu indeed Emma Twebase yashora atamu ndifu na penalty batime jimpa ya Mbarara City batandika asro ina Rwampara kore mukaga teka mu mutwe ndifu na penalty of course man Masya kandi bakwata Sadam Nasa teka mu mutwe Kemith Rwathomio now Mugume bakateka umutwe Mugume Fatamika Dafika Chanchu Mugume eke bajagu haru free kick leya Mbarara City of course Mugume pana rahasi amjuru wa timu ya Mbarara City Mugume pan Mugume ariasi Mbarara City barita Marmasya Ovang Gerard jese number 9 Bigino barita Marmasya Dufra Bernard Yikagu Nomo Bachana Batumi ya Mbarara City Football Club Pakeza Uganda StarTimes za Premier League of course iko kwata ile nachizana ona karibu Ramadan ahemu defense wa Mbarara City Football Club of course that partnership of course tumutu direba ho aho again in the second half minutes remaining to in the second half. Paturika coach Sraji Musindo na hereza mu some tactics abo musiga zoro kwa Bruce Meteo akatishu na Bruce Mbarara City wasakitani ka free kick Mawila Simon former UPDF goalkeeper alikuwa mrunga pora na ndaga dafika cha akwata mundifu na bena evada mkirot manyanka tusunga Sadat na akwata mpora bajagu nogo kushika omusiga zero kwa kati mweside referee na jata timutari kompira aba Rwampara kila pasi ni Mbarara Barak nasharo mutanu ya Barak bishan bagarikana bakwata Barak gada fika chanchu pasi ni Mbarara Ogwet Gerard bagarikana bazana kubi Sadam Nasa naro ndaka dafi evada omkirot manyaka Mahadi kuria Ahrain kila pasi ni Mbarara kuronda Kanyike Muhammad na wale tambiri Kanyike Muhammad sinza tanu ya line Kanyike Muhammad na crossing Kanyike Muhammad crossing mupi Kanyike Muhammad again Muhammad Kanyike ni bitanu bamuteka hasi now the counter attack Mbarara City bagarikana bakwata mpora omukiroko manyaka ansuka Sadat pasi Sadam Nasa upendo kuzana Zahid what a shot of course Kanyike Muhammad one of the talented players Hanu ya Mbarara City team if nagwana bwa timu jipaya Mbarara City Football Cup 5 goals in Uganda StarTimes the Premier League na pasi ni Mbarara Ogwanchowe kwenda ati Abraham brother Andre Atonjire Chikezi Homeboys football player akwata mpora ni Rwathomio bajangu haro kusindikana no Mbarara City free kick turebaho coach Farouk nza kuterezaho some tactics za touchline batoreka Mabuya Simon waza kutandikaho free kick Simon Mamuya, former UPDF goalkeeper. And Kompira Muringa Munonga Kurunda, Ogwet Gerard. But the goalkeeper is also there. Kumaka Abdul Shakur Juko. Magtandukira Heru Kasapuno. Bokshanugwa timu ya Mbarara City mwetu Kumaka Mugume Pranja zina number 17. And Kompira Pura Ogwet Rata. Of course, goalkeeper anaweza kusevinga kona kick na agarika na kura mbranda uchipira na izana achirapo na chiza chango mkono kwa mwandifu na Bernard kwa tinogo kushika nogo Mbarara City pia nipizana kusahi Patrika Abdul Shakur Juko shikangu ni goalkeeper timu ya Rwampara Bulls wina basiga nkaba of course Sarioba goalkeeper walumza timu ya Rwampara
Jeseo
hayo some good goalkeepers aho timu ya Rwampara Bulls Nasana ba Maserika Wiba Bariba Njumnonga and the left back areba sigas ba Wilson now Barak Kera pa Njumnonga para Crossingani yompira bagarikana bakwata Mugume Pran Kera pa Njumnonga Kronda Ogwet Gerard bagarikana batika umutwe Shannon Sinika shot Ogwet Gerard nibisa bagarikana bagumuiha Mukajika Muhammad bagarikana bakusi marupana beya yompira on Chickens Homeboys for Myth Rothomio a bank Chickens Homeboys football player na Mugume Brand Karuka Range football player Bagurechera Ndifuna Bernard Mbarara City FC football player Mpakisa Uganda StarTimes Premier League Ndifuna Bernard of course Chiraga kupata ningaona Vivian Matege na Dabasana Bakarimu Ramadhan Crossing mupira pura Ndifuna Bernard na isana runda ho Mahad Haria Raina Sibaku Jimronga Mahad crossing mupira kurunda wait but take out a big header Mukuru kumaka tonji from piano go shot Ndokwa Mbarara City Ndokwa Mbarara City Football Club of course making a shock jangwa tambaro bisamba shikompira pura Gadafika chanchu kwatamu Kanyike Muhammad now Zumuga Sadat Ogwang Joe rather Ogwang Gerard bakarikana bakwata mupora now tumwesiche kwata mupira pura 17 Gerard na crossing mupira egaku Aran Gerard haria line asba kurunju mnonga na nonda kemith Gothomio crossing mupira jana bakarikana bat Bibi ya Mbarara City Mahad ikana bakwata Mubarak kwata mupura tum Agre nakwata Bruce Metenu aka Juna Bruce si Abraham Bizar Baro Advocates crossing mupira Bizar bagarikana bakwatamu ya kwata mpura Saddam Nas yana teka cikin dufuna jira at Edson Echa Ankole Mabuya Simon, former UPDF goalkeeper Mabuya Simon, former Rweshu goalkeeper Omuchikope cha Ankole Cup, first edition and second edition. Kosingo mpira mpora kadafika chanchu na teka umutwe. Mzana bagarika na makwata kemisi gothomia na teka umutwe. Narunda pore mugaga kadafika chanchu na isana yango mbajango mpia nogokusha. Nogokusha noguru wa Rwampara. Batorika coach. Watorika coach Chiraji Musindo now showing Okwa Kuraka Tanuya. Alright, Awena Jizao Axi Shobirania Seriously Goalkeeper Mawuya Simon Masterman Mawuya Simon Anakumpira muri Rwampara na unasonga Sadati the goal scorer na baronda Baraka Abraham mpira kuronda Pore Mugagha now different Gerard, of course 77 minutes so far in second half. Gaddafi Kachanchu take out Mutwe Joel Okwank Chikes Homeboys football player Barumu Basakora mu Chuka Mbarara City Nibia Sadati the goal scorer Sadati Nsuga Jasena be reverend Sadati Nsuga Nabareta yo another experienced young player Sadati Nsuga na jeza ukishisho timu ya Mbarara City Refina Jasho hora Sadati Nsuga Atechu wa kurani chumara Sadati Nsuga na barituleta Jasena number 18 Weto mkuroro kumanyanka Davi na ata Davi na ata mumchasubga Sadati Hata mupura now Muni rather Mugume again broke here find Ogwet Gerard Hata mukachikache Ogwancho now Davi Hata pura Bajango pia gwagwasho nogo pia nogo Mbarara City Mugume Brand of course anabakora mechi ukachuka nibia yo cards but abatime jimpaha ya Rwampara atwembire cards but jase number 15 batuleta mjase number 9 mwete Asimwe Derrick jase number 9 Asimwe Derrick nibia yo cards but defender for a striker Rwampara debetaga code nibereta striker nibia defender nibareta Asimwe Derrick nibia yo cards but Kanyika Muhammad with a shot and what a save from the goalkeeper Abdul Shakur Juko. Pira Abdul Shakur Juko. Pura. Now Eric or rather Bruce. Pira to Westje. Nasharunti. Hania Rand Pore Mugaga. Nasana Egak Arancheta. Hand it wide. Marmasha Asimwe Derrick. Senika short in Jimunonga Asimwe Derrick. Kangu ya tamu omucha atwembire Kazbat. Jikangu sofa Mbarara City core emwe kata sofu subga Sadat. Rwampara D6 0 batirika Simon Mabuya. Tanika ho. Time score. Mbarara City 1. Rwampara D6 0. Of course, Mbarara City batunga wini yabo yo kubanza mu kikopo cha Ankole Cup 50th edition. Of course, Mbarara City batunga ubuhanguzi bwabo bwo kubanza kata sovu nsuga Sadat. of course omucheka echo kubanza Nsubwa Sadat of course yabasa kuba natwereza ko aho mucheka cyo kubanza yabasa kuba noyiza obuhanguzi aba team Mbarara City of course Rwampara abagitera omusano gwabo ogwo kubanza and even omusano gwa Kashatu mu kikope cya Ankole Cup of course bakatandika no musano rwagati ya district ya Isingiro bagisinga kozi birahademwe basara Kashara bagitera kozi biro mu rubisha but so far team Mbarara City cyarga yasinga district ya Rwampara kozi ibiri omuri rather core emwe omurubusa batoreka knowledge up from bamwe umba managers ba Rwampara knowledge up from taka bicenge na jate kine cyaraka cheka main stadium batoreka Nsubwa Sadat the goal scorer aba team Mbarara Mbarara City of course so far making a difference aba team Mbarara City of course cyo kora chamana kine kaka bachai 12 is that DStv of course back up the sports basa DStv of following our social media change a YouTube tuza kuba tuganira scoring your first goal in this edition.
I'm so happy to score my first goal today. First thank our fans that have come and be here. Thank our coaches, my fellow teammates, for today's performance so that we have won the game.
Group stage.
Yeah, we had to win this game so that we can.
Sigazayo a team ya Rwampara owayo omuka even has yeah Mbarara City AG ya Ankole Cup.
We as Mbarara City, whichever game we play, it's a must win and we play it as a final. So we know kuteka mbera munonga play kwa hangula buli mpira gona kuturazani so that we can get out from the group the group.
Okay, tactically coach yayinjira ki team. Of course twarebaho abazani abamwe ba misinga omuzani Kakaija Sane omuzani Kababu Jesari abwa qualifications eza FUFA Big League tugire ngo yayinjira ki team yatandikireho amukuzanaho na Kashari hamwe na ngotiro na district ya Isingiro kugira ngo mukozese this home advantage kusinga district ya Rwampara.
Coach witu ya emphasize injire munonga hali midfield because the other time midfield itwa game ya Isingiro ne losing amukache without the ball and with the ball. So alibishire munonga ngutwa kora man marking without the ball so that whenever we don't have the ball we can take over the midfield.
Of course tugirengu okutunga draws ibiri in first two games tugirengu no kugira ngo abasana mukaba mutakumanyana kubonaho akire ko training ning tugirengu mutire emphasis aha training for the third match kusingaho trainings ibiri ezo mukozere mukotebikanisaho Mbarara district otire Rwampara otireho isi.
Yeah, of course kubanza we well organized on at least for this game we had some good preparations and some training together so that we can have coordination and the team flow and how to can play together because we play from different teams. So we training session together so that we can play well as a team.
Of course, so what should the fans expect? Lastly, fans were expecting even omuriwe ko muzani amena ngwana bwa City Mbarara Ankole.
We're expecting more performance and more goals. Kandi chindi nkaba abahajizibita Mbarara City of course team zone Mbarara City ngetina abahajizibinji so we call upon fans and people from Mbarara so that we can come and support us so that we can push our new city new yaman yesemere kuba ine fan base yaman sponsorship na organize kucheza teams zezi zone.
Okay, thank you. Of course ogonomzani Nsubwa Sadat nomzani wa team ya Mbarara City Football Club ompokeza Uganda StarTimes za Premier League. Of course we know captain wa team ya Karuka Runji even angwanda captain wa team ya Rwampara omuchikopo echimpa Ankole Cup. Mr. Barak nichi echatambura kubi district ya Rwampara twaza consideringaho two matches yumwe asingire district ya Isingiro otire ne yumwe atire Kashari 2-0 so far mwiza ari Mbarara City arkacheka baba singa goal emwe omuruziro tugire ngo nichi echagenda kubi omukamp ya Rwampara.
Tinkwenda kugira ngo hine kibe cyagenda kubi yenda kwa credit opponent kugira ngo yabasazanaje yafuna omugisha goye yagukozesa kandi yabasa kudefendinga goal but tinkwenda kugira ngo hine kibe kitakoraje twagezaho inshobe nche zazirumu twazagarukayo tutereze turinde next game tukuza kuzana turebe ekitukubasagarraho.
Of course, so far Mbarara City NBC ubonero butano mwine ubonero mukaga. Of course ntwetaga teams ibiri omukibinja tuchabura ayo matches ezikwingana eshatu. Tugenga Rwampara district subiza abagizi noturuga omu group ningashi ntugaruka omya editions ezindi.
Nizagira ngo tucyakahwire group ekiro open games ezikurenze kiri nyingi mathematically buri muntu yagobe mpira ye nabasakora ki nabasakora qualifying konka twaza kukozesa amani kugira ngo at least tufune omupira ogundi twakora ki aho twabasa kusinga kugira ngo tutangaze emishayiti yo kurwa mu group.
Rasite okubasingaho reka cheka main stadium tujengu ne basinga abazano barungi tujengu just nabwa experience kugira ngo batera omu elite leagues kusingaho abarwampara.
I think when the elite league nitekateka ngu omupira gwabamu na luck nte one chance one goal conceded omupira ngu gwakora ki babasa ku defending. I will not attribute it to kugira ngo bin experience ya big league ya big level konko omupira tugwatubera like luck atiyaza konko omupira twabasa ku display ngaji.
Okay, thank you. Of course the captain wa district AG ya Rwampara basa kuba n'umweta Barack Abraham, of course even the captain wa team ya Karukarunji mpaka eza FUFA Big Rig. Of course atwineyo abenja butwineganira nabo kuba omuchanga echa Rwampara kandi babase kuba no batogambe niki ecyatambira kubi ahacayi niki Rwampara ekimwakoraje ekitaba hesabu haguze omucayi and even niki ecyumbarara City yabasinga tutandike n'amazina.
Izine ryanjye ninye binamana Banada Bampire kandi omuhabuzi aha team ya Rwampara district football team kandi at the same time ninye chief executive officer wa Uganda Premier League ngene nzarwa ya para okurgaho omuninya kaguru ompira ogori izoba yes negore mwaru kunka kubafuna gore abantu bamanya icyo kora kugira ngo side iri experienced ya Mbarara City ko kujicomparinga ne yitu so the difference was that experience once they got a goal kubaiza kufuna goal yabo ejo abantu bamanya icyo kora and did bachikora basingo omuzano kunka tubategerezo next weekend tuntuza kubasinga nko kubatsinga manyato kuba kushamba twakurga tubaplan.
Okay, so far so good our district ya Rwampara, of course points ezukinya na mukago mizana kunya eshatu muchaye bembire ekibinji tusubire ngu Rwampara district no muruga omu group stage and even waza considering aho last editions kuruga yo kubanza kukayakana tukatara kurebaho district ya Rwampara bakoraje even abwo inshonga ya sente tujengu this time around ebye bizubo omu Rwampara tebyakira.
Certainly last season mukareba Rwampara keri emu as a teams emwari as a teams eza yakozere great improvement kandi tukugira ngo tukayabwa accident tukasitama twa planning twine minimum level yito itukuza itwa target injire it has to be finals kandi tukopuntu chene nabwo echo erizoba ejiair temporary setback so we shall come back stronger stopping ninga group jendo mnanka mu quarter finals then semi finals and finals we must take
last comment we take it home ninga nichiza
okuto atandikire a season tukagira ngo next time round for Rio it is coming home.
Okay, ogweno omwe omba advisors kurga omu district ya Rwampara kandi tineyo honorable Chris Bakashaba kurga omuri Mbarara wazanurwa omuri Mbarara City North. Of course tineyo area member of parliament omwami honorable Chris Bakashaba abase kubona atugambire niki ecyomwongire mu team kurebeka ngo ya performing aje this time around turebere first two matches team erikora draw so far twaza achai twariba umuraro tuje ngumongire muki imwenka ba leaders ba City ejimpaha eyambara
mwebare abatayari TV mwebare munonga no kuhereza omupira live ahambe hoza icyo mukora ni cyamani nimwe mbanze kubanza kugutamwa amani icyo wabuza hati Rwampara nayo ntimu yitu ya Mbarara nobwerabe yeta yayise konka mbwe nabo bijana bakimanye kunaro bataha nabagira ngo nyundi we kisirani cya Rwampara kandi twabantu tekwa kutera Rwampara mbwenu Rwampara ibire yayeshunga konka nagira abana banje ngo batemwa amani ekintu cyona nkitereze
cyangwa ine cyuma
tubaraganisa abana nabitu kandi ikindi cyakirye cyabo so ntubasima munonga nyonangwa nasima munonga abana bitwa Bambarara site nagaruka nasima n'abana bitwa ba Rwampara neza hano mpira murungi konka no shortage ya betartani yayo yo kusinga abukwa nitwe twija tumarire kugira ngo tugiheho bonero
yambara garebekaho yawe eyambara city north tugire iwe nko muntu leader no hurota and even imwe north mwineka ko dio chiksi
taro kakodio kamana karyaho konka twahajiro mpira kana abana bazanaje ninjira batwire nibamanya ebizubu ebire ahabwenshi batakusinga mpira numanya kandi umuzano w'umpira nkantera nambi 5 hata nagira abana ntumugume mutoraha umusetinje so abana kubabikuratara nabo basingo mpira hati nyoni nye nabandinka coach
imenka bamemba ba parliament last comment teke chi bw'ebyemizano ebyambara city na muno munonga ombisanja byanyu ekimurimo ekyemyaka 5 teke chi na muno munonga omusekta ebyemizano
ebyemizano ekyamana munonga ekiturukwenda kugeza aho ntwenda kuombekera abantu icyaka cyekechi okwankiza kuba kirye cya region iyo no kutwariza hamwe then hata nabyo kigume nkeyongera abantu baguma bijomu bashemerwe kirye kishayi cyabo turebe ngo twabyongeramo n'abana twaguma ntubatera mwakantu wo munshaho tibye mpireje yebjere byonka nane y'abacyara na variables kureba ngo buri kimwe cyona twagezaho abo kuba hatubire ntwe nangu turaheze kafeger kuza kwija ya 2027 ahabwe sente kugira ngo uzubire zitakugendaje hatu ntwija kwija kutahoje ekintu ntwija kwija ku making sure ngo twataho budget kureba ngo twatungura ebyemizano kukirayo kandi twabitaha mutindo Uganda nayo yatandika kutunda abazana hero bareke guma nabazanda hahonga
Honorable last comment subiza abagizi omukikopo ekyankore cup nangwa niwe nka omwebembezi na mnonga omunshonga ezebyemizano otiro nangwa n'enshonga ezindi subiza abagize kitwine kutekateka even no ku expecting omukikopo ekyankore
echechi ogwo mpira no gwo kuyunitinga munonga abantu nkankore ngo baze hamwe aho kwatwire ntugenda ntuzazashema ntuzaza Rwampara ntuzazisinjiro turgayo mbwe ntwire ntugenda bamwe beyijaha so ezraze kuza finals ntutekwa kwija kuza hamwe nkabebembezi then tuganire aha challenges ezurukwa
yabare mnonga ahubwo ni Honorable Chris Bakashaba member wa parliament bwari rather Abambara City North umwishengero rya Uganda parliament yo murundo gw12 of course twabasa kuba FreeToAir Rwampara numwehurira muta bwa Los Ejimpaha kandi yumwe nkabahagize mwetebekanise ki next games of course mwakore kintu cyamana kuruga mu Rwampara tumanyangu aro teams ezuku traveling so far zitine nabahagize but to expecting ki bwa district ya Rwampara
we bari munonga kandi abantu mwena bari kutureba amazina ndi Ian Kanzira kandi nyoni ndiga mu district ya Rwampara obire ariyo muhagize umukuru wa team yitu kandi sponsor konka chabe cyo mu gishambere izoba twaruzinga umupira gwitu go kubanza abo kugira ngo omwe noreba kuba twene okwesa amani mingi omwe cubaho shango ta performinga konka ntumanya ngo empira yone kurataho nka forme yitubire twine niyo turagumize nayo tukongera kuwininga empira yitu
Jirengu imwe nkaba sponsor okongera mu sente mu Rwampara tugirengu nico turebere ya performingira je on first game
Rwampara twine team nunju munonga edition zestwirenziruga mwenyuma tubentushanga tushanga sponsorship erimbi abazani babura kuba bari motivated je konka yitwizira board kubukirire twagera nkitwa abanyarwampara inzarwa zayo mureke twekwatire mu timu yitu abana tubahereze sente tubahereze uniform nungi ninjana wana ureba abana bito mu cyayi uniform yibajwire ejo ni uniform yahirwe kanzira kandi n'abana bakusinga yo kubasoma so tushazire munangu twayongera twateka mune sente nyingi timu kagiteka miliyoni nk'ishatu kugira ngo abazana bongere kuba motivated bazano mpira se cyo kugira ngo twaruzingo mpira gwa site abo kuba nayo etwirene performing akubi munonga ntwameza abahagizi bitu bona ngwe mpira riyo ne kurataho ntuzagaruka tuwininge mpira yona kurenga twargo mu group stages ezi kandi twagumiza mtwahangure chiko page
mnonga abantu bamwe ombakuru even nangwa ba sponsors ba district ejimpa ya Rwampara na mnonga omuchikopo echa Ankole Cup of course ni binji even nangwa namani minji ago base kubana bakateka ho namani minji ago base kubana bargaye bateka team kurebwa ngo basingaho first two games ezechikopo echimpa echa Ankole Cup but erianya kazobo basa kubana bargaye mbabatero musmart ahubwo ayinchi mukaga gore emwe omurubusha Sadat Nsubwa of course no yatebera city ya Mbarara of course bakusingaho district ejimpa ya Rwampara bakutunga obanguzi bwo kubanza Mbarara city then Rwampara district bakubona loss yabo yo kubanza mu 5th edition ya Ankole Cup of course Rwampara honorable akochi abenye ndio bakomanye na kwakira mbe uzatayari DStv kiringu so far Rwampara ekirumu nikituma nekoraje kusinga editions eyenyuma tugire abembe so far muisire on board supporting a team singa henyuma
it's a mix y'ebintu bingi icyo kubanza itonka abembezi nka leaders members of parliament the local leaders ba councillors chairman LC5 and the local population ekintu tukitiramo abantu mingi twagezaho kureba ngo twamobilizinga population ko kuza kureba fan base eriko beri even on away games ne very impango and we are branded abantu they are taking interest mu kugura brand visit Rwampara and everything kandi icyo kibaretera kugira ngo bagura katisha kakajwara atambuza brand kandi ikindi kitachikunda timu eshazi yaho yane 10 ariyezo the saving when generally the morale is so high so nijano kuteka tekera ngo Rwampara egizire a lot of discipline hata ejo discipline nabo in the games nekintu kikuru munonga team nekorera hamwe nabagera camp ejo discipline yo mu camp kugumamu kureba ngo ba traininga baguma hamwe bamanyana that's why we've been able to perform better kandi ntekateka munambwe no gomuzano haba mweshobi kubaretera baluzinga by that one goal which has costed us 3 points konka tutekateka ngo gemera akurateho we are going to correct za kutereza shobeza kwazirumu kugira ngo muzano gwitu guterere tubaretere bayongera kubaje na no kuzana koraje nkoko kureba abingi tubagiza points twiningire mizane ebiri twaruzinga gumwe hatwo kuza kwetegereza kandi ureba ngo Mbarara ebire ekozire draw emirundi ebiri ine points ibiri hati yakore zindi points ishatu against us which has given them 5 but still we are topping the table nitwesiga more away games than the rest kan konka kandi echo chimaisa ngo baza kurijo uti Rwampara chineyo home games ibiri and an away game na nisinjiro nyesiga ngo nzakora je konka nyenda kusima tayari DStv na nabandi ba sponsors abo kongera kora telemizanege no kupikinga talent n'ekintu kikuru munonga aho kwagumana barebe mizanege nibagita TV nibarebe kutwakora nibija kweyongera kugikunda umagoguma ntongera amano mu teams nka Manchester Arsenal n'ezindi yes nazo tuzikunde tugerebe mizano konka kandi yakatu developing talent zita aho abana abihayo bakadropinga talent ndabaza kweyongerayo kandi utandike kubarebera mu team z'amani kuko mureba African players abari mu za Manchester Arsenal na handi
Honorable turebereho bamwe omba leaders abakutambira na district ya Rwampara intushira kureba Honorable Amos Kankunda of course iwe wenyine orya niwe tukurero kutambira na district ya Rwampara kandi Rwampara ine ba politicians bingi abembezi bingi tugire ngo harumu okusika omugwa omu district even nangwana no kunamiraho talents zaba
apana abo kubaha erizoba actually the last 2 games okutaye turukino no kutani singiro nkabanyine Honorable Ann Kansime kandi yija twabakora tabazana bitu twaturi wizana na Mbarara district erizoba na nyine Honorable Dr. Charles Ngabirano so nikirigirira hata ogura kora toni basa ko bataro kurigire cyacyo kana ntaro ntabasize batayibanje ntubenga shongo bo bija babaroho kwenda kore ko bahagizi na no garamani umbazana bitu mwe ntaro kujya ngo aro Kongora chairman witu wa district akaro ba councillors n'abandi abware baha binji munongo baba baroho abo kwenda kwagira umuzana bitwe tukora hamwe kandi cyo kuri team yitu hati niyongera kugira amani
okay numuranga ki ogo kuteraho na muno munonga kugutera abantu even nangwa na government omu sector ebyo mizana
ecyo kubanza umurango go kutera abantu no kugira ngo mongere kwagira Ankole Cup this edition ya kashatu edition ya kana tuongere mamani ejo Ankole Cup yongere kugira amani konka kandi umurango go kutera government itokabembezi tuongere kutungura omutindo gw'ebishayi byitu kacheka twantureba nangwa hakiri Rwampara ni cyayi kirundi konka shito mu west ekishayi kitwine kitwakwasa kwesimisa kikabe kirikacheka omusite yitu mbwe twine kureba ngo government yatwatiraho ya developing ekishayi eki nitumanya ngo hariho ebyeriyo nekora ebishayi bindi konka in the next phase leka Mbarara city ekishayi kyakacheka twongere nacyo kukitama amani kibase hostinga tuzana no mu stadium nungi eyombekirwe government kandi ekyo kijja kongera kutungura omuzambo
okay ogwe ni Honorable Amos Kankunda member wa parliament okwe omuri Rwampara kandi yabasa kuba natugambira bingi bikwataho team ya Rwampara but twine kuganiraho n'abantu nyamwingi munonga even bakatushobораho ahabwa team ya Rwampara minus this match ahabwaki turebireho performance ya Rwampara eri kuboneraho edition age kushingaho editions ezokwingana ina ezenyuma
Wabana munonga ninyangabira Charles MP wa Rwampara East kandi omwebembezi wa Rwampara kumara ubwire buringwa kandi rwenda kwanza nabagambira ngo ite Rwampara nkisha za Rwampara ece kikope cya Gureta Mbarara kitakabire cya Ankole tukakitwara imyaka mushanje kuratine so traditional Rwampara no mwanya go mpira turantero mpira mwene ece kibuze cyo wagamba ekibiro no kugira ngo tugarukire itabakundo mpira abebembeza abarungi tugarukire ompira twagutamwa amani kandi twenda kusima abembezi ba Ankole bona abaryo mu parliament twena twatanise hamwe na right honorable speaker deputy speaker tayebwa kandi uri chairman weitu twagira ngo ece kite cyo mizane cyo mpira kitemwa amani nkankole sati Rwampara nitwe muri Nkole twenda kugaraza umwanya go ito guturaho nito turanitsinga so twenda kurya mpaka ompira gutwara kai twagusinga konka ompira gutwo gusinga kwitana no mpira go mukago kumanyana go kwata basigazi bitu tukabeyisika hihi habine mu talenti tukabamanya nkati nabanyinaho musigazi ogori ori kurwa wanje mwizihe nyine ori kuzanira mu kigeze home boys cyayeye hati ko kuri ngo ogo mpira gwa gutaru nanta kuza kumanya nikabona twenda tubamanye apart from kuzana no korera ntunguka tukaranga twagira abanya Uganda abino mugasho ngo kwitwa ko kutureba twanzana umupira chairman no kuja mu kureba akana supporting ba Mr Kagombe umupira twagwisa level ya iguru Rwampara niyo ishaza ryo kubanza mu Uganda kutwara team o Super League therefore ito ngabanya Rwampara nicyo twakanya umupira guturyo mushaga mu mpira no gwito nitwe bagama bagwe so nteka kugwana kati gwegarurize
aho narabangabirana ni message shi ni government nangwa abwenshonga yebishayi of course kacheka stadium etaire eineho ebizunya mwingi munonga even twareba teams kushanga ngo team ya Mbarara City ne Afrika erga chaye jimpaha ushanga nezana rwa Mwanza mu district ya Kamwenji numuranga cyo gumwaka ubene mutera government iwe nkabembezi kugira ngo at least facilities nangwa na nebyo misano byaza rurengo rwahiga
umurango gutera government waguteire ubwo kugira ngo batwe cyayi kirungi cya region kandi program eji yatangiye nda kusima government konka batanikire n'ebicweke bindi aho kwitaka rya kaceke rikija rya barice kubijire bari pima bashanganirice so tunkabembeze ba Ankole abembeze ba Mbarara twine kurangwa kintu cyitaka twakitereza abwo kwa noreba echaye cha achibua bakitandikire bari kucheza echaho imachihoire hati Mbarara ninga kuna Ankole ntushimagwa ntukurataho so government ntwenda kugisimuze mu project ejo ekwatanise nitwe tuombeke chaye kirungi Mbarara tureke ngo umupira gwazayiguru n'endije mizano kandi Mbarara twine talent kandi twine n'abahagizi b'amani
aho narebo numuranga ki ninga shino butumwa ki kandi tu expecting ki abwa district ya Rwampara na mnonga omu sector y'ebyemizano
Rwampara cyo kubanza twine talent y'amani nywe ndebe mbere timu ya Rwampara mu byo kwiruka tukasinga akana asiga chipolitiki ubaye baryo mu primary umwe bishuzo bya mwizo kwe nabugamba twina abana bakwiruka munonga so talent zone ze mizano zine nitwena tungure zona kandi tuzitungure raheru akwa talent zine abana nibashaba mureke kweho amasiko mu njaga mu rugo mukushishikara mu marwa mugira amani mutwe yiske ture twakora nimwe eje kintu cy'emizano twakitwara mu nka profession ngo kutwine musicians twera ngo emizano tujongero nayo source ya income bo burgo bw'emirimo y'abana beitu kandi tuzakukikora kandi tukinemwa amani mingi.
Okay, agwo ni honorable Angabirano, member wa parliament bwa Rwampara East. Of course yabasa kuba natugambira ibintu byingi munonga turi achaye cyakaceka main stadium wa Ankole Cup edition eyo murundi ogwa katano kantwari ba full time team ya Mbarara City bakusingaho team ya Rwampara na goal emwe omrubusha Sadati Nsubwa arikutereza goal omucheka cyo kubanza echo ine kora making sure kugira ngo iwo tatunga bwire kure umpira za YouTube yitu noza kuba no irebera omuzano full time edakika 9 obase kuba no manya bingi ebyabasa kuba nibukwata amuzano ogumpa. For now beka muda sports master tayari DStv reka tukwatagane izoba eri nyinshi kare if possible twantukwisyaho umupira rwagati ya district ya Ibanda na district ya Churwa cyaba kibasikire ninga tukwatagane izoba eri Monday program omuchache bimsan. Bye bye for now.